Daddy, where are you going?
Daddy. Yeah, clean my place, yeah, is it?
Yeah, I wait to see you in there.
You know, say, I want to look at you. I want to look at you. They have you sleep here. Sleep here, you see, you know? You piece up your bed, you piece up your chair. Because you don't know now.
Right now?
Yeah. Piece up your chair and have to carry them outside or wipe them off. You don't see them out, is it?
Anyways, and that's my father.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Show me that talk, man. Alright?
Yeah,
Alright, Daddy, so.
I tell you, boy, Jack, put all the ranking clothes in a passage this, you know. I'm wake up and smell in the house, smell away. I'm say, yo, I'm gonna go around this summer. You man have the ranking clothes and put them in one corner. Catch you from grill up.
So windy.
Well, when I'm looking at sister son, man. But you him like up here, make him go and stay when him ready.
You know, say I fall for talk to you though, from when they don't want to come talk to you still, but they kind of wake my mind, but come to a conclusion and when I make up my mind and say I'll talk to you. So, meet my girlfriend, she named Ashley, and Ashley meet my father, she touch.
Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah.
I've been saying a long time, I don't want to come if she meet her, but I just still make certain things flow more.
Time see her move like me, you know, man. Time now, man. Call on you see me? Just do what you have to do, man. You see me? I don't want to see you in the street and you're not you're half side of you. You're half, you know. So when the next half not there, you're half alone. I don't want to see half of my son. I want to see what a long time you piece for your bun grass. That about me not easy. Just go on do your thing, man. Have a nice life, though. You see?
Yeah, man. So far, everything good with me and her, you see me? Relationship. Alright.
You know, take care of her, man. Don't look much to you, know, man. Right height, same complexion. Where I say? You're gonna make me proud, man. Where I say, man?
Yeah, man. So, show you please.
You come yourself at home, man. Can you eat something for me, go to?
Yeah, man. Afternoon, daddy.
Come on.
One in that room, it's over.
Don't worry.
How do you? Yeah, front of breakfast one.
Come over and pack, man. See me know where I come from. There you are.
Me can't get some.
Yeah, man. I want to feel, man. Feel me fear, man. Just a day, some good. Mix nuts. You know them, really?
You know what I'm saying? Differently do a father for a reason with you. As a father to son. You see me? Alright, so start fear get free. Be comfortable in a relationship. You see me? I really love her, my sister she love me. You see me? So I feel her energy. You see me? So right now I feel like say I would want to move out and live with her. You see me? Because a couple nights I sleep, what she there, and you know, no bad faces, not my family they ain't rate me. You see me? So I say, why not move in then? You see me? So that's my plan to do. So yeah, I said do.
You're going to move out. You don't have a problem with that. As I say, time for your crystal burn grass now. It's time for you to start stand up like a man and live like me. But you know, say anytime you're ready, your shelter's still there. You see me? Go and go launch out, man. Be a man in your life, man. You see me? I'm proud of that, man. I say, I don't have no problem with that, man. Just make sure you do the right thing, you see?
Yeah, man. You know, so I'm not left out to say because I'm a father, so you visit them more well. You see me? And if anything want do said way in the yard, me can deal with it. If you want me to do nothing on the road, me deal with it said way. Not run if me yard said it, but you know, so I move out and live with her because I enjoy relationship. So I just get some clothes and so come back.
Yeah, man. Great thing, man.
Alright, that is so. You link up.
I hate that, man. And I like to see you look like when you just born, you know. You see me? You're a big man now, star. You see me?
Yeah, definitely.
What the road, and what the road good doing it.
Yeah, man, you call it right.
You notice when you go, you notice how me do my thing, you know. Because I work come on back to more, man. You see me? So you know for that you go there, you just go do your thing, you see? Yeah, man. Do it, man.
Alright, so me call them reach, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, take care of yourself, girl. No funny move, you know.
No, sir, no.
I can't put them here. Alright, here's a.
Alright, so. Sorry, I'm putting this. Come here, talk.
Can figure out apple juice. Another box. And get juice.
So, if you know now, say, I have something there with you. You see me, and I really love you. You see me, and I know say you love me. May I talk to you? Listen, I say I'm not focus on me.
Wait now?
I don't like that style, you know. Make me feel like you know what I hear me, I say.
My erase it out now.
Alright, so, as I say, my movie now, you see me, because I feel the energy. You see me, and...
Me want to move into still. So.
No, that's what I say, not make me talk. As I say, my movie now, because I feel the energy. You see me? For me, I feel energy connect. You see me? I feel like you're right one for me. I love you. I know you love me. You see me? I hope this relationship with us last long, forever.
Wonderful.
With us. You see me? So,
That do us part.
yeah. So, I'm there now. So, what me I go do now? Because you know me reach the age already. So, I pass 18 already. So, now, I want to look on work. Yes, I never want just there every day and just not do nothing. Yes, I can't buy any idea reach the big people segment now where we have to look work and look up anything again. Fill it down in the house and all them something we have to look
I
work.
can't follow. Go look on work and turn an idea.
Okay, so we can do that tomorrow, so just start off the day smooth. Alright, so maybe just want to be there now then. You want to try?
Sure.
Come on. You know, easy, yeah.
Good one.
Fix up what you bed because some of my father teach me and he teach me clean.
You never come down from see clean.
Yeah, I'm like, I told me the paper and I fix it over.
Oh, come. Babes. I don't come out in the wake up in the... Oh, your friend, you look so like a shock.
Oh my God, God no be.
Yeah.
My first
and girl.
in my life, you know.
I pay dirty foot, get a take up. Pay dirty foot, get a take up. So I never expect that a friend named dirty foot girl, eh? Anyways, you're fast, yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So how was the night?
Did nice.
Didn't I?
Excellent.
Don't know, man.
Daddy want to see him boy I live their life, yeah.
I said, open again about now, you know.
No, so you know I love you.
You make sure, because I realize that I pay dirty foot girl you there with pay dirty foot girl. Because me never get to give man a breakfast and no better because I love you. Because if I me get up and give a boy breakfast in bed, then never am. But I don't smell of your soldiers.
And you know I love you already too.
You love me.
So you plan to do today though?
Remember, so we tell so we in our town and taking our work.
Oh, yeah. So can go bathe and then put on some clothes and no problem then. So you can go and bathe and I mean all right, wait for me.
Male pile.
Alright.
Why? You want to read this stuff?
You know can't do here. You tell me boy you just say first can't do here.
Can't hear you. What do you want to exercise?
And that's the only problem I have with you.
Mm.
You just can't do here because you will give me breakfast, you will give me lunch, you will give me everything. If me sad, you another one, I want to do for cheer me everything in one. But what thing you can do?
What? I can't come in.
Well, you're a girl,
That's why.
Majority of young girl, I know if it.
Wait a minute, more I'm pretty.
Alright.
My. Where you come from?
You know, so I'm not really around, that's where I come from though. I come from Palm Avenue. But I have my girlfriend there, right? So.
Girlfriend?
Let me make you see.
So if you could, she alone can't have you, no sir. You don't have to pay for your girlfriend though.
You can't do that, man.
You have to call her here one. Come here, when I hit no comb. Take my number. Just put in.
A minute.
278.
Alright, this is what I know my girlfriend killed me, so I have to stay calm.
What bush?
Me call. So long you take for you even one?
That would have been
Hey, you don't keep it on that. Come on. I'm a cousin.
your cousin.
Yeah.
So any kind of cousin now I'm saying you know.
No, he come from overseas, but for a long time I don't see him. From where you look up it, they gone over, gone live.
And she Robert a family around?
No man, in just tell me some here want to do and them things. I'm a cousin for you, man. Don't worry about that, come on. Hello? Oh man, I come over and there, man, you feel me? I just show, yo, she not give me no space. You feel me? If my phone ring, she want to know who I call. A bathroom, she don't know make me can't talk to you. Yeah, father. Yeah man, me so con girl link, man. Yeah man.
So who you talk to?
I was on G then call me and say, so one of four boy then come from town, you see me, so you want to drink some rum. Cause that just about type places on the corner.
Yeah, we're not talking to no friend. I'm going to talk about you and topic I'm here to talk about say. Every time your phone ring, I look pan me.
No, I'm a friend.
If you stop tell lie.
I'm a friend.
From the idea I move side.
Well, move silent. I am a friend. Come
from the
and
idea I move sideways.
hello, listen me no man.
From the day I talk about say your cousin, boy, or your cousin, I take my family start moving different. Me not something else. Me not something.
So you try to accuse me and some other things.
What you can do, me can do it better.
No, me say, yeah, accuse
what
me.
you can do, me can do it better.
You know, me talk.
Just go on.
Yeah, try to accuse
go on,
me.
go drink your rum. Go on, drink. I'm not going to say anything you can do. Anything you can do, I can do it better.
Brother, me never move in
yes.
with you enough, you have them problem, you know.
Yes. Go on, but every time, I say phone ring.
If you throw me enough money for beat you, man, you better walk out, eh?
But alright, they can beat me licking your face, man. Stink.
What's the words that when you come from you there? Let them come out there, because I never move over here. Because no one never argument. I come here for peace.
Go on, yeah, one yard.
Yes, thing me do, I come out there, because I don't want to hear.
I don't like you, make it picky yet. You're going out, yes. I'll be cross this boy. Come. You still nice to yourself? No, sir, girl, you don't deserve it. Come.
No, show me not getting the time, man.
I'm quite nice so she can come in here.
Yeah.
And let me see.
Of course, let me say, I talk to you on the phone and I just didn't want to see it. That me just think about you, because I know. You have to say I'm just confused right now. Anytime I see you.
Why you take up all your clothes and throw up girl there and come live with me? You see my room big.
Your room big.
If you just get one bigger bed and you can sleep on this bed here.
You know, say your room big, but I know there's something in front of you little.
No, baby. Don't rush into that. But that's why you come live with me.
No
And
problem,
you
I
can
can do that.
cook, do everything for you.
Well, to be honest, my girlfriend, she can't do here and them something there, you see me?
So what kind of woman that day?
No,
Come
she,
here, call
my wife,
5 months ahead and look for him.
no man, not for so long. Should we get up and make my little breakfast and them something there, you see me? She now wash my clothes them. I may have to wash it, but that really depend on a woman.
That's what matters. So come live with me now. Come live with me, star. Me have washing machine and pass it out on the back.
Oh, see. Pretty little brown skin.
Come here, baby. Come do one little piece before. I'll get all the call. Come can't bother with she, man. Can't bother with she. One piece. Yes.
Yes.
You know, so don't want me to go somewhere.
You sure you're ready for that and I think it too early?
Early which part? Can't bother the hiding thing. Me need to go out on a date.
Yeah, I know we have to take things slowly, man. You see me? We saw the official or we don't have to hide. We just have to take it slowly. That's why I say, if you don't feel it too fast, so we go on a date.
No, babe, I want to go somewhere.
Alright then, anything you say then. I'll go home, while I be then and change. Yes, I probably can take a shower if still and do something as my bathroom. Go and go change your meeting on the road, okay?
Alright, go do one more run and then I'll go change.
If my girlfriend now, and she get all half an hour, she good enough. Them something them I like. I mean, someone who want to go all 2 hours. See you now come like you want to get the whole day.
Alright, go and go change.
You just say you want one more round. So, when you tell me that already, I'm ready. So, nobody change your mind. I'm pull up my shorts. Alright, later. Love you, baby. Last one, burn me out.
I'm still about tea right now, Charlie.
Alright, I'll be there, so get ready here.
Alright.
Alright. What you doing then?
Yeah, man, just push up it.
Alright. I'll go quick bed, so far.
Where are the for bed? Where are the for bed? As you come and go on bed, where are the for bed? Man, wait. You see a rum bar, I go. I don't smell a rum bar, yo.
You mean in the smell
Where
of
did
rum
they? Where are the for bed?
So me can't bed?
Continue.
Continue do what?
Continue. Okay.
You want me call on my friend them?
Yeah, that's
No, you want me call on my friend them and I can know say a rum bar me there for true? Do you want me to do that? Because me can't do it. You want me do it? You want me do it? You want me do it? Yes or no? No, me say if you want me call my friend me there rum bar me.
Let's go on.
You want me do it or me call?
Go on, man.
I feel like I eat that. You eat that, you think me I take you fine. Tell us I love you already, you just calm on yourself.
What you want?
You want me general?
What's up?
Now dump on the rum bar me did there a while ago, a whole of ice and I drink some rum.
Yeah, that would you do for sure.
Alright, Mr. 40.
If I pick up for you.
No, I really something if you believe me, that me I tell them.
I am trying to pick up for you. Move.
Me come here to go back on the road again with them.
On the road again?
Yeah, me must tell you that my friend then come down,
Again?
so today is just a friend. Hello, you know if you behave now, you know because me there with you every day, you know. And you get it through the day. So if I want to go to my friend and drink some rum for your day, you know, if you have no problem.
Listen up, let's never
Me don't
mind.
talk.
Never mind. Rum bar with friend.
Well done, friend.
Then I get a try to squeeze out them black head out of me.
Maybe it's all black here.
I leave it. Good thing.
I don't know if I Huh?
Man, this
Your favorite how we enjoy your conflict. Nigga, the face damn bright. You don't know, man.
You don't know nothing about survival then.
You don't know nothing about survival.
What about me just now? Walk there now, tell me.
Girl, I'm hungry, I tell me, you know.
So food that from me, a food that you come here for. I know say me have your food there.
I could not come here for that. Oh, I don't know.
No man, yeah. Come on then.
So you have gone so far? What's that?
You get fat up the one.
Yes, come here, I'm good food.
Put on battery and all these things.
We didn't have a battery for a morning. We just kind of growing, you know? Yeah.
What's new?
Okay, you don't have no money, you don't have no food, so I come get me out there.
You don't think that people business are going to tell me?
I'm not nobody business to tell you today. Nobody business. People in business. I'm my business right now. I got me out later.
Come here, I have any breast them then.
Me not nothing on my breast, girl.
No, say I love everything I see you taking.
What?
No, say I love take up me something there.
I'm not taking nothing. Yeah, I thought, well. Alright, may I go over here?
Yeah. Yeah, just walk on teeth. I'm coming. Oh, there we go. Okay.
What's going on, girl?
Then I'm going to go to tidy the first one.
So, what are you up to?
I be in your bed, girl. I'm here. Tired. All gone. Bed.
I'm just gonna come over here still. Come keep her company.
I'm just tired. Sometimes I'm just tired, but.
So you're not gonna wait today?
No, girl. I'll go out with my boyfriend.
So wait there, you didn't have man? I never know about that.
What do you mean? So we can't get a man?
You never said that.
It takes 1 day if you get a man. You find a man.
I don't find a man yet still, but there I go on. Hold it. I don't say I have no money, you never tell me, I never ask. You wanna tell me.
You want to see him too? Boy cute. Nice fluffy boy me have.
Fluffy.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. You know, every time I come out there, you'll kill me off.
Teddy bear, me have a nice teddy bear.
So you're open for later, I'll squeeze you.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Go yourself, yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, man.
Without teddy bear, fluff. Yeah, fluff.
I'm going to get ready to make money.
I'm gonna take off my shoes.
No, come here, Williams.
Enjoy that.
Enjoy it.
Thanks for your first date.
Yeah, man.
I love you, baby.
Love you too. I like how you enjoy it. Sit. But we have something I have to tell.
What's that now?
We can't bother with the back and forth thing.
Boy, me understand you try to say about what I was going to tell you. I just time. You see, you really love me, right? You love me, right? You just do it for me now.
Yeah, but baby, I get fed up every time I want to see me up here screech, I come up here, I call you. We can't bother with it. Go move in with me.
But
Go move in with me now.
listen, I think about it. Maybe I can come over here and spend like 1 week with you. and tell my girlfriend say me I go over my father's phone in 1 week or something. You see me, so that's what I plan on me.
I don't tell her this, you know, but I have to tell you. When I meet one boy, you know, he really like me. And you willing to take the next step with me. So if you're not serious and put on your foot now and tell me what you're up to, this I laugh so you know. So make up your mind. I don't have time for waste. I really like you and I want to start something serious.
Alright, you know, say no, baby. You know, I really love you, right? So, I'm going to move in there then. Since after that, I'm going to make things better between us. So, no worry yourself. I'm going to move in, okay?
Alright, go for your clothes then, man. Don't worry about nothing.
Alright then, babes. So come.
Alright.
Girl, you will love no other cat in me no prefer. Tell her me not go leave and she said.
Alright, babes. Come with each other.
Alright. And thanks again, here.
Alright.
Set with them, I can't set them really in as a turn me.
Oh, God.
Hold this one.
Alright.
Wait, me not come. Wait, no man.
I'm a cafe of you, so.
Where I come from?
Hmm?
Where I come from?
I'm not telling her them I come from here.
Wait,
Tell her this and my friend named God.
for so long? Don't build my bed I am. I'll straight from town. Wherever it's now.
So me I come and me I hug you up and you know I hug you right there. I walk you from.
You smell around me. You smell like one.
So every time my friend named God, we have a drink rum.
Now, I say I have a drink. You know what?
What's what I say?
What?
I come in and now I'm in an argument and you try to build an argument with me. You see what I say? If you're simple, I'm to come out to your place and just tell me. Because I can't bother me, I get up every day and you argue.
Why?
I'm not a little boy. I turn 18 now, I'm not a little boy again. I tell her, so if you don't want me, I come out of this.
It sounds like I'm guilty.
Guilty of what?
Because every day I come in talk about so I drink rum and not one day can come in I smell a man. I always smell like some perfume business. Like I rub up with somebody.
You know what? You know the best thing me do? Come out here, please. You see me as a man, I don't like standing in people place and feel uncomfortable. And nobody can go on and can text for me. That me I tell you too. Best thing I go on in there. You see clothes that I have in there for me too. Just wash them and make them tan there to me. You know, I leave all one and
But you can't go away. No.
Hello, listen me now. Let go off for me. Let go off for me. Hello, listen. Listen man. Let go off your bag now.
No, you can't. They go away.
Let go off your bag and mind your pop.
I say I deal with me. No.
Hello, you move. You move.
You can't. They go away.
Yo, me go me and go chill because hello, calm. Calm. Go me and go chill out for some time. I don't like people if you go on like that you can't style me here.
The better style.
We're supposed to feel live good. Me tell you so me I go somewhere. You're supposed to can't believe me. Trust me, what? That makes sense for you in our relationship if you can't trust me. Thing good here, go on do it. Never know you have something good until you lose it, here.
You don't say something good until you lose it.
make it not come now, no.
So you then have to come over.
So how was it? She not quarrel.
Start on bag of argument. Just feel like I'm going to the argument.
When you come here, you're more comfortable. So. You don't have to worry about nothing. You have one big kitchen around there, so big fridge and everything.
Mind us all on you right now. I'm not business for anybody right now. Just see my main focus, right? Pull yourself from here. Where you go eat for dinner?
We have chicken and maybe rice and peas.
So you have something you have to cook around and buy for you?
Fridge full of chicken, babe. I'm soon to show you.
No, yes, I want to put it to be.
Oh. I don't have to be sweet.
So you want to take one shower or something?
Yeah, man, you can't do that.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, backside.
Mm-hmm.
I remember some father called me and told me to keep my link.
Alright.
So come back here.
That's all.
No, you can't finish and wash your clothes tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright.
Come here. B? It's Yami. Oh, God, what the nose? No, girl. You kept my man from me. When you meet Marga, I'm going to have you. Come out the nose, my girl. My girl, come out the nose. What do you need here? Come out the nose. Come on. Come out the nose, my girl. Watch out. I want to go in there, so. Kill him. Kill him. I let me. Come out, my girl. Oh, come out. Oh. Come on, come on there. I want you to come down, though. I need you. Come on. Get up. Oh. Get up, girl. Get up. Get up. Black out, you know. I idiot. Tell me never come over here with that dead. You would have dead in this, but you have grabbed belt. Belt carrying nobody now. We don't carry weapon around here. So weapon here. And this our weapon. This our weapon. You know what, girl? First, look here. You're my best friend. Are you over here fight over man? That makes sense? Me can't believe a real hot girl fight over man, baby girl. Don't do it. You let them yourself. Don't do that. You fight with hug with over man. Over man, you know. This big old black tough girl, you fight over man. You know, see you look better than the girl. But if you love him, mom, if you do me like it, boy. Oh, so that's why you stop come over me yard since lately. Cause you have money, hitch up over here saying, remember me again. You're over here and come over me yard. You used to come over me yard every day, Browning. And you stop come over me yard. No, girl. I know that. The link still strong, you know. That's true. I just find him. So I'm just clean with him, I know. Look here. Don't afraid to come over my yard when I want to come over there. If you want to bring a man come over my yard, if you don't want to come over there, come have dinner, and you can come over there. Understand? Because I'm not going to run, know that already. I'm not running now. Yep. So you can come over there. You're free if you come over there, I'm not running now. Okay? Yeah, man, you come over there one of them days. My neighbor, them out, bro. Yeah, they will. I don't say I have some people over there. Oh, no, shut up out there! You will run me? Them very noisy. We never pay them no mind, yeah, man. But we link still strong, you know. You know, say I'm a girl all the time. Like we come.
What you mean?
You know, say we have a drink 2 beer when I in there.
Anytime the black girl come back, just call me.
Yeah, man. Yo, we
All you have to do is just call me, baby girl. Just call me. That's all I need to do.
Yeah, man. Sure, I'll bruise up me and ask, but I'm glad to see you.
Alright, me not take that, you know. You said it for me?
I'm fine with the girl right now, but we won't have it for my mind right now.
Try make sure. Let them select Steve, please no. This big old tough black girl.
Alright.
It's not work so.
Look more here.
Alright.
Thanks again.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do it.
Alright. B.
Babe, what happened? How was the day?
You know what just happened?
No.
No, I'm black tough girl just come over here. Come fight me off. I'm a friend have to come.
So now I'm black girl that me just say I walk.
No, but see one woman. I say about man. Yeah, one black girl did there.
Yeah, me ex, but me and her ain't nothing. So she
What
not
you mean?
supposed to come over here.
She seems like you're not still in the things. The girl come over here, come and
Babe,
fight me
listen,
off.
babe, listen. You know me love you already, right? I'm gonna tell her me and her live, right? So me now want you big stick me over that because I tell her me and her break up. Over my father me I come from.
So I'm not coming
Listen,
up.
I know me not tell her no lie. So just believe me, okay? Me and her ain't not anything. She just still obsessed over me. Okay? Go over for sure.
Alright. Me? What's get back there, man? Masket toast!
Who call me name? Come, child, come.
Come in.
I see your burden. You have your man and then steal your man from you. Spin your roll. What your problem now today?
But see, I got a take man now. I have a man from the girl there now. I say, no, if you go feed that boy there. And look at dusty boy gone. And I got hit my man too, you know. Mama, man.
You want back your man?
I want a man.
You have money?
Yes, I got money.
Alright. Spin your roll again. Spin your roll. I'm going to give you something.
Yes, that man.
I'm going to take you on here, you know.
I know what that come on now. I want back my man.
Up your hand.
I need back my man.
Rub your hand. Call him man name 6 times. You have to get back your man.
Rajay. Alright.
Hold on. Pay me first.
How much?
6 grand. We know what's in your pocket.
You know, so wait. I'm going to count you again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're short.
Why?
I got no worry head. I'm going to fix your business. You see the nether 1,000? When you get back your man, you come back and work out the rest. If you don't do it, me will make your whole rotten.
You can't make this trap. The master kept us not, sir.
If me can't make you get the man, what else me can do? Make up your mind. You want back the man?
I want back the man.
Hold it. Blow up on in the meantime.
You see this? When you go home, you put in your hole.
Now me hole?
Yeah, you put some in your hole.
Tighten it up.
No, and if you tighten it up and a blue soap.
Yeah, what?
Any girl want tighten up them hole, you better know wash it properly and you will tighten. Fresh water tighten the back hole.
Alright.
You what me I say now? You put some on your hole and you're making go sleep with it at night when you put it on.
Alright.
And you see one thing going in your cookie.
No. The man done gone. I want something different. He done gone in a sleep back. I want something different, man. I want something different.
Oh! He not sleep with you.
He boy gone left me.
No, for real. I think hold on, don't worry your head.
You must have something over there, man.
Don't worry your head.
I'm gonna see my five rand.
Alright, you see that one there? You take it and you stop looking at your hand and you touch him anywhere on his body.
You can get back the one them time there.
Right away.
Jesus Christ.
And listen,
That more here.
please do not tell anybody about this.
Alright.
Else you will dead.
Me no want dead. So
Spin your roll 3 times, sister. Remember,
yeah.
if you tell anybody,
Me got dead.
you go dead.
Okay.
Good.
So what if I get the other toes along?
If you can't give me it, you give me it the other way. Go on.
So how we can't get out of it?
Walk safe. Remember,
If me tell my about my dead.
you're going dead.
Alright. Yes, sir.
No, but I call you can I do them, man, you see me? Long time when I play 2 balls, I show my father, man, you see me? God no, man. I'm wrestle.
Oh, good. Be away doing so early.
You just wake up. So you wake up so late.
I'm not tired.
After everything last night, you're not tired. Because you're not easy. So what's up for today, though?
Maybe breakfast.
I say you're pretty for bed, I want to help you pretty for now.
You know what I'm pretty for.
You sleep out in there, come more help you do something else, I know why you do everything.
Me, yeah, man, just sit down and relax.
I understand, yeah, I say. But me I say more help you do something, I don't really want you to do everything right now. So what's the breakfast?
Hello. Hello?
Alright.
Hello? What's this? Yeah?
My name is Karen Campbell. I'm calling from Escalating.
Yeah?
Where do you know it?
What? That girl free visa? It correct me a lucky one. Bro, bad. Lucky man. How can I get it? Because I want a visa and because a long time I try fly out, you know? Because I didn't want to get to his story, but I well want to live out of Jamaica. America, I want to go America to make some big money, you know. Come here and say I call for money and drop out of sky America. America, which party money and drop out of sky. Because everybody go up there and come back down and have gold for money. What time? By 4 o'clock we can get up. Right now you want to come? And you alone not come here and snack and nobody else after me no want to get no visa and me no get none. We gonna get what? Me a come. Alright. Babe, guess what? Good news. Babes. Let the pin when I come, okay?
Before you go.
Who's soon come up. You have to know that. You not soon come up. Soon come.
Morning, how far you go?
Girl, emergency. Me already do it soon. Do it soon. What you want for me?
Alright, go on.
Thank you. Come back, B.
Alright, love you, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
How go on?
There, how are you?
You good, good?
Yes. Say yes, man.
No, come like smile.
Oh.
Come on, you come in our room? Okay, what's your kind of cold?
I'm going to go there someone.
No, the girlfriend from Portugal, so come on. I'm gonna let her out here, come on.
Nobody get your name though. What's your name?
Brittany. What's your name?
Well, you can call me Raji.
Roger.
Yeah. Never hear my girlfriend I talk about you, you know. She always tell me say you're her best friend or something and she love you. But to me it seems like a cool person still. I hope you don't have that they bond there forever.
Yeah, I'm cool. So. Yeah, look nice though.
I know, thanks.
But, oh, cool. I'm coming for you.
Well, I don't think my girlfriend have any problems still, you know, so you can't do it.
You sure? Can I get a hug? As a friend.
Okay, kiss me for a minute.
As a friend, friendly kiss.
You want your best friend beat you?
She can't beat me. She said me to come over here and help her fight all day. So yeah, go on, so. At first, you don't use the girl.
No, me use
Are
the
you a
girl.
nerd?
Me only used to my girl, Browning.
You mean, look here, you have to use to me too. Cause you know, see that like me?
No, you're my friend.
No. Put the girl on the front part. Girlfriend. You like me? Talk it through, me not laugh. You like me?
Alright, anything you say,
You not push no vibes, brother. You don't like me? I ask yes or no. It's either yes or no. You like me, yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, so yes, so nothing can go on. So we think about it for Shina the year, you know?
I like you know, but me just scared. Me don't want my girlfriend to find out nothing.
Scared. She not find out nothing.
Why you not easy, you know?
Just stop going to. You just covered my youth.
Because
so
I love my
nervous.
girlfriend and I don't want to hurt her, so.
Could the album in your face? You can't squeeze it for you, could you? Lord, I make you come squeeze. You need a woman like me to take care of you, brother. You know? You want to take a walk?
No problem.
Then get up, man. Let's go. I just stop going so can you get used to me by now. Your girlfriend say me to stick to your side and make sure say, you know.
Come the rain and fall, you know.
She can't show, can you come now? Wee! I want to you. Some black tough girl, you come back again. You come back. Watch out.
Watch it, no move now. Move! In my life, you know, I don't want nobody to watch me, you know.
What I want to go on there so
Tell
me
Brownie say it done. So me baby here.
for me this.
And my woman this, I don't want nobody to watch me.
Me shock. Wow. Brownie needs to hear about this. No. No.
Why feel good for me?
Running. Nice. I look so.
Yeah, I want to pick a story to tell you. Because the other day, my dog go, I'm telling you, say emergency. I sorry, I tell you where me I go. I go to embassy with the whole of my hopes up. And the people they lock me up, you know. Say me mad.
So wait. You're so mixed up. Or if you just go up an embassy and you just get locked up, so. What really going? Talk to me better than that day. Talk to me straight.
It's a girl. Me get phone call in my house. So must come back embassy, them and do a free visa if you go to Canada, America. Plus I get $1 million a week. Me go up there, I got long strong for the people then because manager call me. So me go up there, you know. I said, how they feel make me waste my time go up there. For here for the show the police they call for me, you know. And say me mad. Look how me have a good horse down here and me left my time pay fear go up there. And say me mad. Have me in a jail. Feel one night, you know. A self-bail then give me, because they say, alright, let him go now. Right now, I'm in court right now. I don't even know what me I go through. See me, I go feel like me I get a visa, you know. Come on, go and find it.
Girl, I don't think you're mad yet. Because you don't want to know what happened. Trust me, I don't want to know what happened.
Wait there, before you tell me that they mix up there. Let me go look for my man.
Girl, come here now.
What?
You have to go wait. You have to go wait till me don't talk. Come sit down. About your man.
What about my man? If I look you, you cheat for me? Tell me.
If I hear that, you want so bad. The same black girl who they have to beat in the house in the sun. Me and him, alright. My boyfriend did a walk because me did go somewhere because he tell me something and leave him none at all, right? So me carry him with me. Me I want to make my walk good carry in there fall. I will hurry up. I don't see this big black girl come behind the boy and touch him and neck so. It like some powder I have on him or some oil business. Think of oil, me I tell you. And the boy start ask me about her. Let me go, who you? One bag of saying chat about her. I she me love one. I say I check for the ever did there.
That same black girl who beat all day?
The same black girl who beat all day. And he go with my temperature. He tell me to tell Brown him say, him are you done?
Alright.
You not done.
A magical game she a play. Me can play that magical game there too. Alright. Can leave one up more. Yeah. Come on, girl. Come on. I'll fix them first.
Yeah, man, don't mix up with no man. I don't like other money, no. I don't like this here, girl.
Yeah. Call it a magic.
Me a smell center.
Magical man this time. I'm magic. The magic thing.
Like I walk from here down and see it.
Master Cactus! Master Cactus!
Who is it?
Evening, sir, evening.
In the room. Come here.
Follow me.
Oh, is she alone?
I'm come by you, yes.
can I do for you today, my sister? What can I do for you?
You have man problem.
You have man problem?
Alright. Restore that. One girl thief my man.
Thief your man?
Yes.
And you want him back?
You rub help on my man and take the man.
You come at the right place. So where you want? You want me kill a girl? Or you want back your man?
Yeah, I want the girl for dead and I want take back my man.
Listen me. For kill her, dearer, 2.5 million. If you get back your man, cheaper. Which one you want?
He get back. Me don't want to kill him. What kind of tickets that they are buds?
Spin your roll again. No more thinker than it. Wait. Hold on.
What
Give
a
me a
man,
hand.
bright.
Give me a hand.
Me don't... But you see you put on my hand now.
You want the man or you don't want the man? Make up your mind.
I want him.
Rub your hand. Call the man name 3 times. Me not hear you.
Rajay. Rajay. Rajay.
Spin your roll again, sister. Spin your roll. Go on. Don't move.
So this I'm going to touch him with?
No. You just call him name. But you not finish. You see this? Rub out your hand, sister. Rub out your hand. Oh, next time don't carry your friend with you. She's we don't gonna talk, I can't tell you. That's not my business to tell you.
Want me to black?
No, I'm not talking about the color. I don't want color. I'm not a racism. I take everybody. I take black, white, and Chinese.
Chinese.
You see this? You're going to put in a little dab in your hand. You see like how you call in name when you rub that in your hand? Daps it back. And when he come, you rub him, you 90 him hand. And call his name again 3 times. You see if he asks you why you are calling him, because he's going to ask you. I hit a walk. You say, baby, you love me? He's going to say, yes. But there's a warning. I don't know how long it can serve you, but continue to use it because anybody can smack you out your hand.
Alright.
Come, spin the roll again. Go on, my daughter.
Alright, Mr. Cock.
Oi. You don't pay me. It's not for free. Me only tell you say cheaper.
Sorry.
Why you laughing, young man?
No, sorry.
You have anybody you want, I?
That's the England pound.
What is that?
I'm talking right, man. What's it cost?
Oh, God, I would have rotten out your body. Me no ramp when you come on to my money, 10,000. For that,
Oh, Jesus.
No, sorry. You don't know what to me today. It's just a...
You're nervous?
This pen.
It was a 500. You give man extra money.
Alright. That's alright. Stop saying Mr. Cactus.
you chat too much.
Come
Go
on.
on.
Chat too much is cool.
Can I give you 100? I could have given you 500. I give you 20 man.
Okay, I hate with girl top man problem. Come here, girl. Let me show you something. Yalla. Man,
Who send this woman today?
yalla. Black
Who
girl.
send you today?
No, who said this? Look how me try my best. If you take it from me, man.
My girl, I did see man first. My man first. I feel I can get so fat. It was my man. You get left over. I'ma take him back because I'm a man.
Look how me try. We don't beat you.
My girl.
Yeah, come here. Oh, yeah, Liko. You know me? You know who me be? In girl. Yep. Take one blood clot. Hey, girl. Let go of me. Oh, yeah. Let go of me, man. Oh, yeah. You know me? You better come and hold up your hand.
You call the police. See
Yo.
me? Hello, lady.
Yo, man, let go of me, man. Tell man. Yo.
Hello.
Yo. Yo, let go.
Easy now, man. Good up on him, though.
Good up on school.
Hello.
Yo, man, let go of me hand.
Yeah, me need an emergency right now.
Yo, if you want me hold you.
Come
let go
on,
of me
you
hand.
get on.
Let go of me hand.
Right, Palm Avenue. Easy now, man. Palm Avenue.
Let go
Yeah,
of me
one
hand.
lady knock up. She like so.
Oh, she not checking me. Let go of me.
Yeah, so me I carry her up on the front of the police station. Because we don't need a police station. Come.
Bye, let go of me hand.
You know what something got to forget you? I know me can't believe say my best friend get locked up and a black girl dead. Which me never want the girl for dead. Even though me don't like her, understand?
I understand, yeah, sir.
But at least me get it for myself now. Yeah, look at her. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow. So you look so
How me look?
nice.
Thank you.
But
No,
hey,
no, it's my girlfriend. They can't do that.
Let me tell you this now. Nobody can take this a boy from me. That me I try to tell us a back off.
How you get one from me?
Be no worry yourself about that. Yo, shut up and move up now, my girl. You know who is me? You know most of things if we go to forget him, nobody can take him from me. Babes, come on, we're good at the direction.
can see me.
Yo, boy. Forward now.
Evening.
Forward.
Let me answer this.
Where are you?
There, checking back at place now, you know?
Yeah.
Meeting Princess.
Hi.
Yeah. You look good.
My name is
Right.
Brittany. I'm
Brittany.
yours.
Yeah, you can call me daddy, isn't it?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Boy, you're sharp, you know, man. I run the road, you know, man.
This is my wife, one and only.
Yeah.
Wife to be.
My black Barbies.
I hear you, man. I hear you. It's a good look, you know.
Actually, I know daddy, man. You know, so you know, if you just go nothing, man, you know.
I said that already to me, you know. I said that already to me, you know.
You know, so I say it, man, but I mean, you know, man, you know. Alive, baby? Love up my life, you know.
She said I mean it.
No, I think, you know, me think you mean it.
I'm not good, man. I just run there enough.
Well, we're back in our place, man, daddy. I am there now, you know, man.
You can go on do your thing, come and go up on the road, you know.
Well,
Run your cheese, come out of fish, boy.
I call mommy still come. This one, Miss Car from her, so I yeah, I call long time I hear from her.
Do that, man.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
You carry up my bag.
Yeah, man, I have something for me to get 2 shirts for you on that time. Man.
Alright, look, man, do it. My boy, that you see that?
Babe,
Oh, well.
what's going on today?
Once we gone from the road, I'll probably mean I have to clean up here. Where I go?
I must tell us I'm going to go for a day. I'm going to come back tomorrow.
Where I go exactly?
You know, Pam, I already may have a conversation there already.
I don't remember.
You remember? That's still.
Where I go, pay your mother?
Yeah.
Make sure out there, because I say if me I go somewhere,
Yeah.
you come like you want to come with me
Come
there.
here.
You don't trust me. You know.
You know what? I'll go around the phone and I'll give her a second.
So just make sure it's there I go for sure.
Yeah, love you. See you tomorrow.
Make sure out there I'm going around with me.
Then no.
If I did me for me I go somewhere you want to come.
We got fair argument, no?
Remember say me have ice everywhere.
I have ice.
So me text her and text her back last night.
Boy, tell you the truth. My woman did it beside me when they text me last night and I couldn't respond. And you know, so my woman now a real mad girl. But I think about it still in her life. I did think me could have worked out things. But I tell you so last night, my woman show me one fat piece of bullet and show me a gun. And he tell me say.
First of all, stop. Bullet can't piece out.
No, listen me, I tell her saying show me one bullet last night and show me a gun. And he tell me say if me ever cheat on him or he catch me, me I get it in here so. And me no want that. So you know me do last night, me sleep with me eye said so. Sleep with my eye open.
But
So me
nothing
think
wrong,
me-
we can't just hide. She not have to know nothing. She not have to find out.
As me say, me no think me I can work out because I love my life. I want a rough relationship with me and still. God no. Maybe
Alright
it's
then.
still in about it.
No, sit down, no, sit down. Talk about it, but I'm going to stay. Don't go up the road.
Alright.
Yo, I go and come through now. Fire, to catch fire.
Also, that's all. So, we can You know, say a fire me a catch a two before more go roast.
Oh, you know, say, something come up if you talk to you about.
What that now?
Alright, you see this boy. Other day, when I go on the road. You remember this boy, me tell you, say, he woman will go.
Which boy?
Name Roger, his name. Let me show you one picture of him. Him here.
Oh, yeah, me know him. No one Rasta man, I father. Yeah, man, me know him.
Well, me like him. And at first, he tell me say he like me and one bag of something, but then no matter me about how his girlfriend jealous and his girlfriend show him bullet and say more, kill me fin cheat and one bag of food.
She will say you want him.
Yeah, him more.
So where you want him though? Every girl me here say I run him down. Where you want him?
Well, you know say father rich, that's true. Father a millionaire. And his father want will the money to him, want give him all the money we have. But he now give me it until he's 25. And that's why every young girl want him. But me want him, and one of them get him, and me want him, and me I go get him.
You sure I father have him money? No mother me yes, he got him money.
Yeah, I mother got him money, you know, but I father in charge of everything. I father spend. And they don't want to give me money for me young until the 25 because they say love spend. So that's why me want him, because me want rich in the future too.
Oh, okay. Between me and you, no, one woman man me a go. Because from other day me a losing baby them. Water gone for a whole week. I mean not even go catch no water. 2 me no lose the baby. I see them lose the baby now. I mean not even know if I'm family ma do it. But every time me pregnant me lose the baby. Me not even can lift up bucket. Come on, carry baby, me can't go up and go lift up the bucket. So, yeah, one woman man me a go.
Sure. I take that the Oberman they take for your money. I hear me no believe in them or something there. So you can't go on your Oberman. Me can't go me.
Come on, come. Take out the slippers. I see a burden. I see a burden. You can't have no picnic, not true?
Yes.
That is the problem, right?
Yes.
You know the reason of you can't have any child.
No.
So why you come here if you don't know the reason?
I come here because every time I get pregnant, I lose the baby. I don't know if my family never do it. 1 week straight, I don't do it for. I can't fetch no water. Because I say I don't fetch water because I don't lose the baby. I know I lose the baby.
Listen, my child. Let me tell you something. It's not your family that you cannot have any picnic. You see, so-called man, where you have a yard, where you are taking money and are flourishing, and they picking them in your belly. He bring the money to you. She has sacrificed. I must have sorry if you said she, but it isn't because all the women who think them nastiness there. He must sacrifice the baby. Each time he breed you, him sacrifice it. That's why you have money. All the cars and the house where you see my lavish and they put them in your belly and pay for it. You understand what I'm saying?
You may understand.
And 2 years, take your money. I don't think, I don't wonder. But I hate, I create every mystery. But if you want to get a child, you have to lose everything. You want the child?
Yes, I want the child.
Mark already know. You see, once you get started pregnant now, everything you got gonna vanish. I mean disappear. Can't can disappear nobody. I mean police going running in not have nothing back up. Everything going gone to the government. So if you want to stay rich and get some of the money enough, all you want your child.
I want a child. The money can't stay back.
Alright. I like it so like that. I'm going to get 2 items. That one, see it? You got a pour already. You see it? Magical. That one here, 90 for your belly. You see the egg here? And your yolk. And the egg this in your ear. When you reach your yard, you chop it and mash it. After that, you're pregnant.
You can't leave now.
Spin your road 3 times before you leave.
I don't know.
And when you work, you come back and pay me. We stop collect now because we have planned to sacrifice somebody. So, when you work, you pay me. If you don't work, don't pay me.
Alright, sir.
And if you work and you don't pay me, consider yourself dead. Go on now.
Alright.
Travel safe.
We're not falling in the field of breathing.
I said, I'm going to take up the clothes and my while ago, daddy.
Just go chop out that gate. You know what, my son? I want to telephone with you. Like how you penetrate on one man, you see me?
Free, man. Once I teach me ropes and daddy, as I say, come see you.
I don't like to see you go over that woman there to over that woman there. I don't like it. You see me? I remember seeing mother Sue coming up. I don't know if she just barging or what.
And so I talk to her other day and she tell me say she's so far, but she don't tell me exactly because you know she want surprise.
She can't come see her move like that, you know. Because me alone, she say, you know. You get me? Yeah, man. You have to straighten up yourself, man. But say me, you say grow you, you know. And you know what to do. I don't like to see that up and down something there. Furthermore, where girl there?
You know, if she gone up her mother though, gonna spend some 2 days. Say I spend some day up on her mother.
You make you show no say how she dey do.
Yeah man, she video call me and talk to me and something. Yeah man, me I rate the energy with me and her still, see me? She me say man. But me well want my father in a long time, I know say mommy and me miss her and he sitting there me and me rate how as a father you never carry no woman all when mommy gone.
Don't jump the gun. Don't jump on me I say. I don't like to see what you do from where there. You get me? No look good to me. I'm not business about nobody else. I love when you're jealous, you know. I love when you're jealous of everything, you know. But I don't like to see how move so you look like your head not up on your body, you're straight. You see me? Straighten up, man. Straighten up, man. Because you don't see you now let me down already, you know.
Yeah, I understand what you say, man. I do you right, man, you know.
Do it, man.
I touch on the road still and come back. I'll check on my brother and I'll come back, so.
I have to make sure say when a girl are going away, you're sure no say that's what she did. And call her and check up on her.
Yeah man, I do that man. Cause she that is set thing to anyhow I go like you want to come to me. I say, watch out. Come. I tell her something I go they say, I don't want you to come, but I tell her say come. Right. And every time I go places, I go on here, they say, but I go up on the road, go check my friend and I'll come back still. See if I can hurry up and beat her in. Yeah. You did take up your for your clothes and on there, or you want me to take them before I go?
You take them up, what am I doing?
Alright then. So come back.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to wash off your van when moment come in, you know your animals sport out.
You are drive the van and I don't eat up some man.
Yeah, I wash off you. time me I book you.
I'm gonna see you. If me not getting no relationship with him, at least can look for you. But I know me can't believe say you just change your mind for me so.
Well, as I tell you from before, say my girlfriend I want a serious girl, I want a bad girl. I first relationship me ever woke up in there, so I'm scared. Cause I don't want to kill me, I love my life.
But at first when time me and you exchange number, you give me good vibes. You all tell me you like me and back or something over phone. Text me, send me picture, me if you send a sexy picture and then you just stop so.
You call me and tell us I'm a girlfriend.
So me tell
You
her,
show me bullet
she not
tonight
have
me
to
get.
know.
I don't think it go possible though, God no. You just have to just understand and just not we just
Me
move
not
on with
understand
that.
nothing, man. Me know me not stop trying.
Hello. What going on?
How you do? You not get locked up for murder? When you come from jail?
No worry about that, man. My lawyer take care of everything. So, I saw me get locked up and I said the year I do.
I'm an ex.
I said the year I do.
What I mean this me? I don't know my woman.
So, what you say though? She alright, what you say?
Have me
I'm
afraid of
soft,
stuff
my
this.
hand. I can't believe this.
I'm a carry rub lotion for you.
No worry about
My
my
girl in a prison and in the rough, so probably she
soft
and
my hand them.
them.
So really, they said it to me. Look here, baby, me I'll take care of it. Don't worry. I mean, look for me, dear.
Baby, when you come back. Sure. When you come back, me.
No,
You know
hold
me,
up.
Because for me, girl, I want to
man.
That's
We
my
have
woman there,
one man
so.
for girl.
You just tell me say ex.
Have little respect. Hey, girl, me tell you nothing say I'm an ex. Don't tell a lie for me.
No, you are.
Hello, don't tell a lie for me. Have little respect. Don't touch me. You know, I'm
You
not
don't
man.
miss me?
Of
Me
course.
and
Me, oh, God.
Yeah, girl, come on, B, come on.
You know just. So
You know
what
who is
do?
it?
What the other one?
Girl, go on by your business alone, man.
See, my
Alone.
woman and my wife, this is what I want to chat about. I'm telling you, man, I make my woman feel so me that cheat.
Come on, B.
Oh, you are print up. Yeah, print up. Yeah, I'm feeling print up. Girl, right now I'm feeling head mess up. Come see something happen look a while. Remember Jeremy I talked to you about, though?
Yeah, remember him.
And your ex must have did their prison. Just come back. And a girl just come and touch him so. And he goes so, babe! And just tell me, and he tell me say ex, you know. And I pretend like he didn't even know me. And walk off with the girl.
Georgia, look how me can introduce you to your Obeah man. So you really want him?
Of course.
Me go carry go at Obeah man when me go. Me think you're something stronger than what she a use. Yeah.
But I know me never believe me in something, but the way how me see she just rub it on her hand and just, she didn't even touch him in her face now and just touch him so.
No worry yourself, because me take get him. You go at Obeah man, me carry go at Obeah man, me think you're something strong. So you get him.
Alright then.
Come on.
Welcome, assistants. Take off your shoes. Yes, my sister. Can see a bird. That work what day?
Yeah, you work.
Remember, see you home, you here?
Yeah, me time money come. Don't worry yourself.
Yes, your turn now. What's the issue coming here?
Well, there is this guy. I mean, no matter what me do, me can't get him. And other day, he ex come back and just take him and go with him so before me even have a chance with him.
Oh, the hex take him.
Yeah, I want him. And I would just go so my friend introduced me to her.
Alright. Then I tell you to make the best.
So she said.
So, she used the tech aisle.
I don't know what she used, but she just rub up her hand and just touch him so. And he like, cause at first he tell me say I ex. And then he like, babes. I mean, I don't know.
So, I can give you something better than the aisle. You don't have to continue. Rub your hand to touch him and hold him. I go and give you something to put by your hand every time you see him or hear him. But it will cost you.
Type of cost.
100,000.
Yeah, man, anything it takes. Cause him no one. Me do anything for him right now.
Alright. Give me a roll 3 times. You see this? As long as you have it by your hand, anywhere you see him, I feel him. So, no worry about it, man. Yeah. If you're laughing, it might not feel again. Always have it by your hand, no matter where you sleep with it, eat with it, drink with it, anything. Have sex with it, anything. Do not take it off. Once it come off, gone. Even if you put it back on, gone. Every power is outside God. So this camera then come back and guard up their ring to make money. Once them take it off, it's done. They have to come back for a different one. So, you
How
see,
payment go now?
when you work, you pay me 100,000. If you don't, you're mad. Yeah. As you work and you get the man, you come back to me. If you don't pay me, you are mad.
You talk over. Alright, we believe in our friend. And
Yeah, man, your friend pregnant. Don't get pregnant.
right now too.
Okay,
You pregnant?
good. I'm the best.
Alright, thanks.
Remember, you know, don't take it off.
Alright. The year?
Of course, when I say,
You know, say when me in a gym, can't stop thinking about you.
I always think about it too.
Me just, it's something, it just hold me being. You can't stop thinking about it.
Really now.
It mad me if you see how that the girl they did have you and use you. You know me feel like we're mad in a jail.
Don't worry yourself now, man. You have me back for yourself now, so nobody worry yourself. Nobody with that, you just get sitting there, nobody with that. I'm gonna go for my father now, go give him a check.
You come back right back?
So come back, man.
We can't let me follow you.
No, man, listen up, sit down, man. When you go now, I'm not coming there, sit down.
Leave me now, you're going to too far,
I
you
say,
know.
listen me, sit down. When you go Norway, am I say I'm coming?
Alright, go
Like
on.
how me trust you, more listen. I say like how me trust you, more I have
You
to
don't want
trust
to
me.
lose you again.
Yeah, me know say you don't want to lose me, but more you can trust me. Me say me I go there so. Just believe me say this so me I go.
Alright, go on and come back. Where
Okay.
man come back?
So we'll come back.
Later.
Alright. Daddy.
Yeah.
You know what's going on now? You know some of them are my brownie now. Who happy like me?
Listen.
They work with my brownie now, man. The black one I mean, me not good. That brownie I love.
Where they come in with the black girl and say, yeah, introduce me and everything. Now you tell me say I'm...
No, daddy, look at me, I say I'm brownie, me did do it first before the black one, you know. So me have to do with the one who I love more. So if you me love brownie more, me have to stick with brownie.
You know,
Me and brownie
say
back
brownie,
on.
man. Where should I?
Oh,
Where
brownie.
brownie there?
Brownie there over here, man, over them does I come from.
Where all over the place, man?
Oh, daddy, me have to stick with your love today.
Remember say, you're moving the other girl over there.
Hold on, change it, daddy.
No, man, she not in there,
Oh,
man.
no, come back here.
So what you have to do?
No, man, you move around, man. You move around.
What she do?
She don't do nothing. But Brownie come back, so me have to stay back with Brownie now. And Brownie is my wife.
You're all over the place, bro.
So me can't say me all over the place.
Then you see say all over the place, you just move in one. Then you go move out or move in the next one. In here, so,
No.
now my roof, this, you know.
Now me ask you one question, daddy. You go dead from the way you love?
So how you like her in the first place?
Yeah, that I did. Things can change, my feelings change now. Brownie take back your love.
Now watch out with that one you know. And say if you're really out of my place.
Yeah,
Yeah?
man, I Brownie the thing there, man.
Because when I tell you, no, you can't make your mother come see you out of my place, you know. Angry bango.
You know, you're mommy, I come here now.
Angry bango, man. She not tell you when she come.
Alright, me I go in the room.
Boy, clean up in your room, clean up.
Daddy, you're not there. Gone back to the Brownie now. Brownie, now you may love not add that cat in me no prefer. She feel me, I go leave and me say great man, whatever. Hello? No man, mommy tell her say he ain't saying that me did go give him a link. Yeah man, 4,000 left you need to give me. Yeah man, no problem. Me a link him, man. Babes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Come on.
Yeah, problem. Daddy.
Hello.
Meet my wife, Sash. And Sash meet my dad, Jutta.
I laugh, man.
You mean laugh, daddy? I'm in love with my life, this. I want to pick up and see if I start to sing a song about, you know.
I want to go on, my son. What go on? I want to go on with them, son.
You mean?
You don't want to talk this in front of you, know, but you're moving with one girl. You broke up with your ex or whatever, you're moving with one girl. And now she must be your friend. Are your friend is?
Daddy, you know, say this is okay, this is okay, daddy.
No,
I'm
but-
a wife to be this. What you mean? What you mean, daddy?
Tell me what I want to read, my son.
I ain't
Me not
got time
joking.
all
Me
this.
not joking.
I'm a
Ne-
man.
You know tell me say I'm browning.
Daddy, don't call any name to me. Sash.
So I want to browning.
Browning in my league. You win in my league.
Warm to you and browning.
Daddy,
That
browning in my league. You win in my league.
I ask you about your league. Warm to you and browning.
We're not in a relationship. Me and Sash in a relationship.
But you know tell me say browning and you love. You mix up now, man.
So me love my life. Yeah.
Alright, she go stay till the mother come.
She a go stay till my mother come. You know what happened to me?
No, no.
Yeah, me have to feel being a jealous, but you know, you change like, man, you not work good now.
No man, me work out there like this.
Okay.
You love me though?
Of course.
Every girl love you, and then them just gone. So what want you, man? Somebody must can stay, man. You.
Should they just they offer something else? And he find out so.
You was a fear. You was a fear. What do you think?
Where you good with that though? You good with my wife?
You good, no, man. You also a fear.
Accept her.
Yeah, man. I accept her. What's your name?
She name Sash.
Sash.
But me call her Tikiana, but you call her Sash.
Alright, tickers.
No, Sash. Me call her Tikiana and you call her Sash. I'm a build a name the fear.
Oh, yeah, go on like that. Me ever look on none of your woman, them, my son.
No, I'm not saying that, I'm not saying
Yeah,
that. Me call her.
alright, do it. Kiss me, man. Go ahead.
Oh my god, so long. Voicemail. Did not call back, yeah, man. I never Wi-Fi. I'm also Wi-Fi.
I first ever come over here.
How are this? Never they say I never come to.
Hello, listen to me. You know see me and my wife in here watch one movie. Oh, you come in. You grill them a lot.
Your wife? What me rotted? Now you see I want to sit on the road other day.
So.
Hello, my father there in the house.
Bill, come.
Excuse me, you mean?
Hello.
Don't do that, don't do that.
Don't touch me,
Don't do
man.
that. Leave.
Don't touch me, man.
We're not in a relationship, you know, so you're not supposed to be there in the house.
Be here just
Hello, come on here. Babes, don't listen to her. Come, I'll continue watching the movie.
You just had a front over me yard, B. Come on, no?
Girl, go on your yard. You deaf? Put her down like a girl.
Come, leave no man, leave her. Sure. Gracias.
This is strange. Come try. Master kept us sure. No saying give me the right one. Alright. We have to go visit Master Crypto so I can give him one stronger something. Because we have to take him back, you know. Because me try and go through whole person to get him. You don't like not myself. Master kept us.
Come in, my child. What brings you today?
You know what I do? I'll give me work.
Tell him, perfect.
But more stronger because girl gone back with the man, you take him back from me.
Take back your man.
Yes, more take him back now. When we take him now, one hold him for good. You understand me? I say?
So, no worry.
So give me one stronger Iron Man. But this time you can't hold him.
Alright, you see this one bad. You see this? That is powerful. I'll teach you something.
Rub up in my hand again.
Rub up in your hand. I'm going to rub out it decent.
Yeah, come on, holding this at time, you know.
And touch him with the hand. Anywhere for him body, just touch him. Feel him again. You continue use it, it's supposed to last long enough. Just tip a little rub, touch him. The aisle, if you want to have him forever, you have to go do sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
You have been a virgin, you want to sacrifice.
Yes. Me know the right one master kept us. Me can't come.
Alright, so you wait though. Go and use that for now. You bring a virgin to me. You sacrifice her. And no bullet, nothing can come near me. That's what police can't even lock you. Because then, now I have no charge for you.
Yes.
So, when I'm ready to do the sacrifice, you come back here.
Then I spin me roll, master kept us. Spin me roll.
You know the process, man. You
Spin
like
me
that.
roll.
Spin your roll 3 times, sister. Yeah, man, because your money nothing now.
Yes, master kept us. Alright, when we come back, I hear.
Make sure.
Alright.
Virgin for sacrifice.
Alright, master kept us.
And if it's not a virgin, you will be crippled.
No can come.
Okay.
Maybe we just go down the river to sit back.
Oh, yeah, I got eat enough of them. You want to cook?
How you feel with me?
You not plan to keep me back, my man.
Girl, me don't tell you.
Bro, you avoid me now?
I mean, come on.
Yeah,
Babe.
come on.
Babe,
Let go for me. Let go for me.
Come, babe.
Let go.
Come.
What you? Come.
Come here. Come here, look how we go. We are go for you. Come on. Bye.
Come on.
Let go for me. Let go for me.
What you?
Come on.
Let go for me.
I feel me.
We
Come
are
on.
river. Come on. We're not going to river tonight. Yeah, we're going to go somewhere. We're going to go for you. Come on.
Yeah.
B, come here now.
You done.
Let me man.
Oh.
No.
Walk up fast.
You don't want to take him. Take him and go on.
My man, not yours, a bride. The girl wants to keep on me. So you want to eat?
Anything I cook and
What you don't want, father?
Just look out for something, man.
What? Me have to ask now. Remember say you're a said so. When mother cook probably you not eat, some mother look about something different for you.
And no, say, if you cook the dumpling, I'm gonna eat the meat. Match up something for myself with that, man. I know that, right?
Alright, so we cook still, that's why I ask.
see you back right here, sir.
Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
So you start there when you are going back. Just call me, man. Me there on the airport.
Alright.
Alright.
Peace and love.
Yeah.
Alright. The box so heavy. My God. Jesus.
So if you want to go start.
Rajay! Mommy! You don't know some more come? You don't know some more come? No. What going? You good?
Yes, sir.
I'm so glad to see you.
Daddy,
You're back heavy.
mommy come.
Back heavy. You're back good.
So you say you never call me and tell me say you come.
It's a surprise.
But me have one surprise for you to mommy.
What going?
Maybe I
Come
want.
here, let me give you one surprise.
You don't have to see me?
Of course, I'm glad we are out. This.
Yeah, you can take a walk, yes.
Man.
So what going?
Nice one.
Everything
You
good?
can dance with that one.
Come and give you my surprise, my mom like you surprise me.
The neck on, keep up the place.
Mommy.
Nice though.
Meet my wife, Sash.
Hello.
Oh my God, this is so nice. Sash, how are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah, man, I'm a graduate, man.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too, sweetie.
So only boy.
Yeah, that's nice. So you never tell me say about
No,
Splice?
that's surprise. I mean, that's when you come down, me tell you, you know?
What's that?
Me in the rush thing.
She's a pass your daughter to you and so she tip.
Your mom, just like me. Maybe that's why you fall in love with her.
You know me, man take off from me, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I'm glad to see you, man.
Your mom, I'm glad to see you too, Pops. Glad to see you too, man.
When I about.
Hey. Why? Everything in there for your son.
Ah.
Not bring up here. Everything in there for you. Everything inside there.
Nice, man. Nice.
Yeah. Come on.
Glad to see you, bro.
Yeah, nice seeing you too.
They eat already, mommy?
No, I'm not really eat anything. I just want like a snack on the plate and that's about it. So
My girlfriend, you don't cook, you know. What you want for dinner?
make some chicken, chicken and rice.
I have a brown stew or
Yeah,
a
brown
curry.
stew chicken.
Okay.
I use you one dumpling.
Alright. So your face looks so. You look so bright like somebody I rubbed on your face at night time. I want one.
Glad to see you, man.
Oh, okay.
Glad to see you,
You
man.
sure say I'm not alone?
Just go wash off and go around.
Alright.
You care about your mom.
You can on the back for me.
So, oh my.
Yeah, man. It's nice to see you, man, after what 2 years now? I said, let me not come home.
No, okay, man.
Alright.
Where are they? Where are they? Come on, man. I'm going to hear this now, man. Where are they?
I'm glad to see you.
Cha-cha.
After such a long time. And Raji, I take such a good care of you. I am a cook.
More time I cook still and more time, you know, him cook still, you know.
Yeah.
But more I and him sit down and hold a reason still, you know. I'm telling him how me is a man with you see me?
True.
Nice street. For real, man.
Alright. Okay, I'm going to cool off. Let me change off my clothes and all are fresh.
You see how it is?
Yeah, it's nice to be a big one. It's really nice. Yeah.
Come on, I'm moving here.
Yeah, it's nice to be home after 3 years, you know what I mean? It's good to be home to see my family. Pops, come here to come sit outside of the lamp.
Yeah, we have a
Why you tell me
family
this
talk,
family
man.
is a laugh, so. Listen to me, understand? Laugh.
Cha-cha.
You know, some of the black things, you know, the
You
black
see somebody for 2 years, you must see when I see them in the mouth.
Of course. Yeah, man. So, son, let us reason with them because we want to know what really are going. You understand? Because you know, say, I have 2 shillings and I put down and I go will over everything to him. So, this young lady now you are telling about. You really sure so she's the one?
Yes, mommy, I'm in love, I'm alive, that man. Married with her, man.
You sure?
Yes, mommy, I'm in love, I'm alive, that man.
So, how you feel about the idea?
I want him to be happy still, you know. So I must make him want to choice them down.
You can reach the age now, you know, with two can't tell himself to do this, do that. But then still, as a parent, you have to, you know.
He don't tell himself to
Yes,
sense
right.
him up himself in the street. And I'm saying I do that. So, you see him in my coat, you know. And I like saying I not steal, and I steal, you know.
Alright, so.
And you're tough to you see, so.
Yeah.
Soldier can go on.
Yeah, man, so if you feel so she's the one, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna do the right thing, you know? And with the me and your dad behind you, pee, pluck. It's what I deal with?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you know, say everything, you're the only child, me, I say everything I have. I feel. Everything your daddy have, I feel. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Alright,
Feel
so.
that cool, you're doing it. What's so cool?
Yeah, man. The reason why I ask you, if you're sure that she's the one you want to spend the rest of your life with. You know, say mommy have 2 shillings, right?
Yes,
and if you're serious that she's the one and things are going to work out, then me just will everything to the 2 of you. You see what I say? Everything never will to you and her, because once you are going to share your wife, then automatically to she is involved too. You understand? So that's why I'm asking that. And I put my nose in your business. I just want to be certain. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that's it. That's it. So, now I'm going to do the bill. Now call the lawyer and I'll get the papers together and we start doing my flow. I'm on the week.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Hello?
Girl,
Yeah.
you know, say me I am a friend, but we need to hear this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say the boy,
Which boy? Enough boy in the world, you know?
the same boy when he throw it outside over, man.
Oh, my boyfriend I talk?
Yes, push your boyfriend. Somebody take him and your boyfriend again.
Hello. Maybe say that for myself, but not listen to you because first thing first, you're ex, so you would have said anything.
No, girl, you tell us say one next fat girl have him, right? No matter how hard they try, she still have him.
Look here. Muna then
And I
no.
think
What?
you don't believe me.
Me not believe it because in their father yard.
You tell us when you come from jail and we go see the 2 of them, right? Fast right now, you think say their father yard? A woman yard in there right now, moving with woman.
You can't trick me. Anyways, look here. Me I come down tomorrow, cause me dey my mother now. Me I come tomorrow, so tomorrow we talk about this. If me do nothing for real, me will see about that. Cause me not believe you, cause me know you want him back.
Right now, me nobody wants him back. But come down.
Alright. You say anything? I pack up my know that this story. Really like to do it for a
Who is that? Hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
Where's your girlfriend?
Roger girlfriend.
Yeah.
So I'm Roger mother. How comes I don't know you? Wait a minute.
Roger!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Roger!
Miss.
Miss.
What going on? No. Do you mind step back outside?
Oh, help for Roger. Roger will come.
Do you mind step back outside? This is my
No,
house.
he can't walk in this house.
This is my house. Do
Roger!
you mind step back outside?
So yeah.
Please step back outside.
Honestly, no, no, sorry. Roger!
What business is this? Do you mind step back outside? Roger is not here. And I'm Roger.
Come in. Yeah, I'm not making a lot of I'm still on something.
Daddy.
I want to go on here.
Still alright. You're still on me. Let's have a seat. Sit down.
What's really going on?
You want me to tell you?
Yeah, I want to know what's going
It's your
on.
son. Him not really a move 100% neither, you know. That's why I say sit down and tell you what going on. You get me?
So come to the first night you're all of this.
Two of them come with one woman. Introduce me to her. Next week him come with the next one. Other week him come with one more and then other one more and one more and one more again. It's like a search on the whole place.
So how comes I'm here a week and I never know of this? You not tell me nothing as the
talk
father.
to him, I say,
But
look
you
here.
not tell me anything, honey. You have to
Hold
tell
on,
me.
no, I talk to him, I say, look here. Look for your mother. I'm me alone your mother's deal with. If she there foreign, she not deal with no man. I'm me alone and I talk to him, I put him say everything alright. What else do I have to do?
Evening, mommy. Where are they here?
Let me baby,
This is a surprise to
Me and
me.
them.
Mom, I tell you what go on already.
So the baby.
Excuse me.
So if you do this to me,
Come, sit down here, sir.
look here.
Hello, I'm about to
Look here,
come
back
to the
off.
house.
Back off.
Hello, hello.
Back away from my man. See what I want me now.
Hello, Mr. Abada.
No,
No,
but
you
you're
can't take a
my
problem here now, you know.
No, girl, back away from me, man. I'm my man
Yes,
first.
hello.
Excuse me. I'm my man first.
I said I'm not going to set up my blood pressure.
I'm my man first. Where the excuse?
Hello, the woman there say no.
You know how first of all you can respect your father and your mother. You're
Come go around, sir. Come go around.
not him,
Come on.
man anymore. My man, not yours. So back off. Back off.
Through the door, girl.
You know, they're going to come close in here. Come
Yeah,
best
leave.
thing.
Cause we ain't no.
Best thing.
Leave.
No problem. She close them. Me to come close them. Me to come close them. Me to say no know me, you know. Yeah.
I want
No, run up. Run up.
You can't do that to yourself.
Yo, happy days. Who are you, woman? Who are you, woman? Come here. Me say, sit down there, son.
You shut her, you know.
No business.
Come on, man. Come out here, man.
Come on, that's the way big
Come,
gun.
yeah.
Come out here, man. You're not business, man.
Yeah,
Just come out here. Go on with your gun and go on.
Me have to leave.
Just go on, Mr. Girl.
Me
Just
know
go
your
on,
woman.
just go on.
Me know your woman.
No woman out.
Happy days. Your woman where?
Girl, just go on, man.
No, if you're tapping on it, yo. You don't know me, you know. Where your woman?
Yeah, woman.
Alright, go on now. Yeah, man.
Hello, say, I will be back. This not over yet. You see how you?
Man, they talk to my father, you know.
Brother, easy man, easy yourself. No.
So me I tell you, me no roll for you. You see me I tell you about now, so me always a guide up on the line. Me no business about this again, you know.
So you put the blame for me for daddy.
Me no put no blame for you, me say me no business about this.
For me and her blame, so you bust me.
Yeah. You want to tell me that the ex shoot half of you? Yesterday? Don't worry your head. I have the right solution. No more bullet to you. All you have to do is just find a virgin. No matter boy or girl, just find a virgin, bring come. Don't worry yourself. Me have 45 yo. Yes. So no gunshot can catch you. It can't be now, but just if you find her later, bring her come because me not there when we use that little. With the pan of hands, I try to find a remedy. Yeah man, I will be there later or tomorrow, back in my working stage. Okay. Bye bye, good luck.
Yes, I do.
Today we come father for some lunch money.
I will pay your father for lunch money.
See we.
How long now you there, so?
About 15-10 minutes.
So long. You know, say not fit up us and wait. You know, you can make whole heap of money, you know? Like whole heap, millions of dollars. In a 5 minute time, money just a flowing come to you.
You sure?
More than I tell you that, you know, look for me. Rich, you know? 5 minute time, make millions of dollars.
You're not just rich.
Me not just because I don't want nobody see me and rob me and kill me for my money and so on. But you see, this I make mistake and come up with them for me hand this morning. So I just say me I walk so that nobody no see. If they see, they go say me have money and rob me and kill me. You understand?
Okay.
So you say, you want to make money?
Yeah.
Oh, but one more thing, you a virgin?
Of course, I can ask that.
Then come on, man. Me have to ask you because every time you say father, you want to you understand? Oh, come on then, man. You know if you care. Come on. Good evening. Come, take off your slippers. Take it off. Sing a cool. Alright. You remember liquor? Money making business.
Oh,
Yeah.
see this.
Yeah, she is.
Alright, my child, you want to make money?
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit. Want to make money? Alright, my sister.
Hit that.
The sacrifice has been done.
Alright, come.
So, it's supposed to work. I'm gonna finish the rest later. She's not dead, we just knock her out. That's all. But hopefully she's a virgin, as you said.
Yes, she is a virgin.
Alright. 45. Go. Go on. Walk in peace. That man shall be yours.
Alright. Why mother is funny?
Maria does not want to talk about it because, you know, like, she just can't understand say me and her done. That's why I tell her for a long time, say, I did scared because from time to show me the bullet there and tell me, say, if me cheat, me I get it.
Don't worry yourself, man. She can't do you know and she can't do you know.
You shoot her for your other day too.
You shoot her for me other day, yes. Yo! Repeat this bit over.
What you there?
You don't learn. You don't learn. Don't feel like this did over. Not sure. Bad man now go so. And then bad man first. Wait tell me other day.
No, me tell her that become where if you come on.
Me tell her say, he's mine and only mine. Understand? Not to me and you, not to you.
You can't live happy, just allow me not understand for me, you know, they not allow me live happy. Me don't want you anymore, move on. You can't understand
exactly. Hey, look here. See, if me can't have him, nobody else can have him. And my man that.
You can't just leave me alone, make me live happy. Understand, so me don't want you.
Maybe you don't want me. Don't do it, you're ugly when I ball. Don't do it. Go back up and sit down. You get up for that? What's the word? I'm not understand this. Girl, just go on home now. See,
So she had shoot and I don't say nothing.
because God always strong, it doesn't now work in here today. I'm get a gym last night, so anything she gonna try, to go back for her. That's why I'm sitting down and laugh, can't believe it, my God, you understand? So I don't know you're good on this ball for. Everything go alright, don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. It doesn't work, you understand? You just do it.
Mommy, you don't want to know what's happening again.
You make the pressure go on. You let the pressure go on sky high. I just feel if America coming here too.
Come consider, man.
Me not understand how
Mommy,
you
so the ex come back again and come back and try to shoot my girlfriend and like you gun stick.
But me ask you something. As your father say you're not move right.
And daddy again.
Yeah, me not sure. So what really happened?
Mommy has
Because I
to
really
say,
can't understand what's going on.
the girl has stopped me, mommy. You no matter how I try, I'm kind of glad I come out of a relationship because I'm afraid of my life and I don't want them, I don't want to shoot me.
She's a mad woman, you don't deal with her.
Yes, mommy. She come back over here now and I say she find the gun for my girlfriend, for my wife and me, sorry. And like she had shoot and
So what is it?
It didn't hear me.
like in the round back or something.
So all this not going around there?
Yes, mommy.
But here I know last night me get a dream, you understand? So no matter what she try, now go work because gotta watch over me. So she come in and shoot and nothing gun now shoot.
Gun stop.
So probably I gotta work.
I got her. I definitely know her. God is good. You see,
Yes, that
well, sometimes in life, you know, you get yourself involved with some people and you not even know what you really are getting involved with. You know what I mean?
Mommy, just why if you know say, make up my mind now all this run up and down. Just us, one big family.
I hope so, you know, because she's a nice girl and I like her. And your father like her too, so I hope this is it. No more up and down. You know what I mean?
It smell nice though.
Yeah man, thank you. I hope so, you know. You're serious?
That's all.
Alright, so wedding
Alright.
next now.
That's all.
Alright.
Come in. Hello. Me know say me and you two plan peace align, but me know say me take your man friend, right? You have them for that. But she told in the same position, right, you know, because this girl take away my man from the man I take from you, from me. Me go over there other day, me see him and the girl walk in. Me bust 2 shots off a girl, she run, right? So me say no I now go so me go back over there again since night. And me if you tell me say, me a fire shot out of the gun because the gun well loaded, you know. And me a fire shot out of the gun. None now come out of it. I see as soon as me left from over there and go up on the road, me just start a bust be a shot out. But bullets come out of the gun, but on time for the girl now come out. Me don't know what happened.
You see it now? You see me that try to tell her from away? Me I tell her say girl under some serious science, you know man. I see him till me go over there and Obia man give me something. And me I try rub it on him and no! He would have think upon me. So me I tell her say me I have to go team up here now and come to one.
So wait there, me ask you a question. So when we team up now, you want the man to not true, and me want the man. So one time we two team up together, I was supposed to get the man, who will get the man? You must me if you get him. It can't be you because you're ex from back then. Me a fresh ex, so I can't get
You want one more war start? You know what? I'm about get man. Me just want revenge for a girl there.
Yeah.
I just that me want right
that
now.
me want too.
See I say I make we work together?
Then the most, get me in.
Alright. Right now I'm so close me have to start to go from the road, you know.
Remember some, yeah, me number, so link me.
Alright, you want it?
Alright, we got myself.
The bad one. Mommy, I watch Jamaican Mafia.
You know, so I never really watch it.
Oh.
Me hear about it, I never really watch it yet. Roger,
Yes, sir.
you know, so I fly back out tomorrow, right? May I tell you? Yeah, me
So
tell
you
you.
have fly back so early in the day, I feel long now.
You just come for a short little time. I'll come back down next month. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come and say, the kind of big man now and young Sash, you know, decide to really settle down and do the right thing. Come now engage, so now get married, so I go will over everything to you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So my father don't talk about and him agree with me. Alright, Tom? What you say?
You know, I'm the same way, you know.
Yeah. So, that's what it's it. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So now we don't have nothing for me. I joke that, you know. I joke that, man. But make sure say you tell him, straighten up himself. And about to go out there go deal with no war and him something there. And beat up. Now, yo, just talk to him before you go away.
No,
You hear me I say?
Me talk to him. Yeah, me talk to him. Let me go all I need to him before we leave tomorrow.
Hold on. Sash, come in, baby, I'm here. Yeah, that and that one.
Hi.
Good night.
Good night. How are you?
That's a shock.
Oh, yeah, there.
You have one key figure.
We don't leave you again, so you don't need to have no TV group.
But just come, it's a one thing. My carry one.
You can't get no box, so no say that.
It is not that.
So you
My
want
carry
to
one baby feel.
carry baby for who?
Where I say?
Me? Listen me, mommy. I want to know listen good. You see when me and her did do that the thing there, me use protection, so I don't know how you say I carry baby for me. You
What
can't
protection
trick me.
can boss?
Exactly.
No, daddy never bust.
It boss.
Actually, you want to get me back in your life, you
No.
try and use all sort of something to get me back.
No, I'm not telling you like I'm gonna waste my time come over here in the night.
You don't listen to me?
But you don't see no baby. Move on.
See that?
I like you don't listen to me though.
That go.
I like you don't listen to me.
It is not
You
that.
try to find excuses to me, right?
I want to go on and say you.
Daddy, me use protection, me don't know what she talk about.
I wanna come over here like that.
You know
Me
what I'm
not have to say no, because from I couldn't appear stress. You understand? So me and you definitely have to talk.
No, step outside and go deal with the young girl. Me can't manage this way.
Appear stress, from I couldn't appear stress. Me not get no break, me not get no time for even later. And relax with my husband, appear stress. We can't deal with them stress, man, for real. This is too much for me. We can't deal with it. We can't deal with it.
We are dealing with
We
this.
can't deal with it.
Over the summer, man, never saw
Show
no
me
day.
a
Listen, man, go outside on the porch and go talk to her, man. Yeah, she go
Yeah,
talk.
Go outside and talk to her. You hear what your mother say?
Because if
Daddy,
you
me
make-
and
You
her.
say you hear what your mother say? You give me back answer. Go outside go talk to her. What me say if you do?
Roger,
Yeah, let me no need for that.
Just.
But maybe the mother know.
don't mix up that. This is too much, you know. Can't deal with it.
If you can't deal with it and half of you, a piece of you and a piece of me.
Me not coming here for no frustration. I'm coming for-
That alright, nobody come and let's go. What the fuck?
Hello, listen, I see that. Don't come in a deal. Come in and say some stunt business you come at it on. Listen, I see that. When me and wait, let me talk. When me and have sex, don't I always use protection?
What's the boss?
Listen, go on here, there.
No, look at
Listen, me go on, no, me and I know. Come down, man, let go from me.
can't do this. What's going on?
Morning. Yeah, we talk tomorrow. Because I say, I don't understand nothing much here. I did use protection. You see, I just feel like she just try to use to get back to me. I send her home because I and her know nothing. So, I need
How
to
far
run
she
back.
the baby? She tell you?
I'm not interested about it now because I get her pregnant.
Alright, we talk tomorrow.
So, tomorrow, I have to.
Yes, I'm going to
Wait, that's the phone.
get my phone. I'm tired. You're stressed on the coming. I thought them weak, I'm tired. I'm going to be.
Alright, later.
Have a good night.
Alright.
You're coming. But watch out. I'm going. Long time I see you. I'm going.
Me there. Come and tell a story.
Wow.
So today, you know, we are chat one long time, you know, see me. Me say no. You know, see me cover the boy yard though.
But in a New Year style, though.
After I left our RJ yard last night, I go to me here. But me I say I know. I go over RJ yard last night. I try pull a stunt but him say I'm pregnant. He nah buy. I'm chat about home. I true. Me want him back and one bag of sentiment me I go like say I'm pregnant. Girl, me say the boy she me right in front of him parents to him.
See, I breed for you? You not breed. Hope you not breed, you know, because that the boy there say me left him long time. Cause when he pass with that the girl there, me couldn't bother with him. Up and down. You have him, me have him, she have him. So I just left him. Me couldn't bother with him. That has stressed me out. So I hope you not breed for him. Hope so.
Girl, am mad? Never. Me not breed for that the boy, them in the breed. Me just did it. As you say, me I pull a stomach because I want him back. That's the reason I'm governess me pregnant, because I want him back. And you look stressed out one day, yeah, look. You don't look too right, like you're stressed over him too.
Girl, you know, see the back and forth thing. You have him and everybody have him. Me stress me out because I did really love the boy, you know. But me, me can't sleep at night time, I don't know why. Kind just clean on my head. But me not gonna make him mad me. Me not gonna make him mad me because too much people around him down. Everybody are take him. Me can't bother with him. Me can't bother with it at all. Sorry.
All me know, me not give up, you know. Me never will give up because see that the money there, we feel mother will to him. Me want some of that there. You know normal money. See that time they what me want to give. Don't try again. May I go over here?
Alright.
I come to tell you.
Oh, morning. Yeah. Good.
Pregnant.
Come, get up. What are you doing now?
I mean by
Come, left, man, and come on.
Jesus Christ. I mean
No, don't be me, man, we're not in a relationship. Come, see though, come, leave. Come out. Let me help you come out. What you look for? See your phone there, if I tell you. See it, take up it. I don't know where you look. See your phone, take up it. You never have no money. Come, listen, what you look for? Come on, man, see you, man, come on. But wow, we're not there, but we're not there. But we're not there. Come, have a nice day.
Problem.
What kind of problem now? Come, give me mix up. Dash it palm without warning.
Look for me. Look what me dey on the road. In her. All of my clothes them over a boy yard. Me lost the bracelet. I know the boy can't recognize me. So what kind of problem that now? Tell me now. Me not go mad now. Kindly tell me, you know, say if me last me mad, you know. That in they tell me. I want to go back to him. I need to carry back to him. I beg you do. I want that boy there.
How you feel last the bracelet? You mad? Anyways, me can't care go back guy over man. You ready?
Right now too. Right now. Can't believe you last the bracelet. Girl, me just asleep with it on my hand last night, so I don't know how it come off.
You can't find it now. It's on the
There's
bed.
no way in my bed. Jesus,
Thank God. You know, say you will call Link right now.
yes.
The girl
look
lost
on
the
me
bracelet.
hand. I beg you do. What about that boy? They do.
So you can't help her.
You know, they tell me say me I go mad now, but me I beg you do. Find a way and work around it, please.
Alright. You know. We'll help you, but you have to bring a sacrifice.
Anybody?
You have to find. You don't have to be a virgin this time. But this would be a last 45. Just bring any young girl that can bring. Immediately before. At least you have 3 days. So if after the 3 days you don't bring that girl, consider yourself mad. Anyway, we plan on mission. So the time hot and fun not really program in a bush. So I'm gonna take my leave. Alright?
One girl. Right. Before 3 days.
Before 3 days.
Alright, later. You hear me not no time for you.
Why you cook dinner early, man?
I'm not share until them two complete the wash up, you know.
You know, so from mommy gone, I see her cook early. I like mommy there, from mommy come down and some see her cook early.
And she is coming, you know. See, talk to you, mother.
Mommy! What are you going?
Yo, tell him to wash up the local plate them over there, so tell him to wash up the local plate them over there, so now.
Mommy, you make you look like me not do nothing. I'm just wake up.
Yo, I'm not share no food until them two local plate they wash up.
Yeah, seen that. Mommy, you know what's between me and you know what's Sticky and a gun.
Tell her the truth, no? Tell her the truth.
You can't feel the energy with me and her again.
Man, something flash up on you.
Yeah, me and her left.
Give him a phone, come. Here now, when I'm done put my car back. When I'm done put my car back, yeah? No, me talk like no.
So that is all one fish in our friend.
Chicken now cook for me. Yeah.
One more fish.
Me can't come and find now. Me call her back, man. Just cool man there. Sure. So me and my woman leave.
One more.
Chicken me I cook for you, brother. Look in my partner, man. See dumpling them there. See there. See chicken there. Soon done cook. Go inside, man. Do it, man.
One more something now yesterday.
Hi. Okay.
What do you mean what go on? What you doing?
Mother-in-law.
No, don't be there use that word.
Why?
Let's say it one time, don't say it all the time.
Well, one time.
Yeah, don't say it, yeah, because you talk like with this.
Maybe talk about something.
You've got something important.
Yes, it's important.
Or something me I do right now, and I say important now, me I don't know.
Important.
Sorry, give me a minute.
1 minute and the food I don't know.
No, please. Where's that one? No, I don't think this is a good. Listen, man, you say you hold on.
It's not good in my life.
Listen, you say you talk to me, you don't need to touch me. So keep your hand into yourself. Wait a minute.
I say, if you can move it. Crosses and I yes.
Oh,
what you are doing here?
Yeah, after me man this after me and this for a long time.
what you mean?
So the man, I'm not look here, I hear man alone, I'm not
Listen to me. No one own me up in a car. Me no day.
Babes.
Don't call me a babe. Don't call me a babe. Hello, sit down. Sit down. Yeah, but we're not there. So me no want to own you. Don't be as
me
me.
and you talk. Me and man need to talk right now.
Which man?
Me
Your
and you
friend.
first that talk a face speak.
Come one at a time. Come.
Yeah,
Come back
come
out
and
of the
man
talk.
house.
Walk out of the talk.
And me and you with some?
No.
Hello.
First come, first serve.
Find somewhere and give it.
I'm very sorry, my apology.
Just
Me just want to talk
give
to
the
you.
people on the farm and we can't take it.
First come, first serve. So walk out of the talk to her. Or stand up for what is in her line.
Which, you know,
Let's go line up for.
Yeah, if you talk to the king, come.
What are you king? Not do it.
Come, listen.
If you're king, you're queen. So come here, you talk this thing. Let's come here now.
Just start now, you don't have to touch me. What?
Woman like touching and talking after you go on.
Yeah,
So.
and when we in a bedroom, we touch her. When I did something, we not going in a bedroom.
The father already saw it. I see you talk in front of your
Yeah,
father.
big man, my father know about bedroom. They think you don't know about bedroom.
You never see nothing about bedroom.
Wait a minute, why me and reason me come over here? That more want get.
Food about together.
Alright, we can't do so just go on home then. Me go watch the play then. Me go watch the play then.
Why we can't do it?
Because me say, me no like the problem.
But me no problem.
If when
I
me,
try
well,
to do better. I do everything.
well, I'm
for
explain
me.
something to you. If when me there, it's stressful.
But me say me change
And
when
you
the
want to
person
go like
here
you can
again.
rule me. I mean,
No
depend on that.
rule you.
Because you see from the time you show me the bullet there, it get me scared.
No, me change.
Me
Me
can't
whole
answer
different.
my phone in the round here.
Okay, me's a new different person now. Please, just
Yeah.
don't beg you, please.
Me's a new different
None of
person to me.
this.
No want you back.
Please.
Come,
Stepfather.
Come, leave now.
Let
Man.
us call him stepfather. Come here, mix
Come,
up.
go on,
Father-in-law.
You're in a business in a 4-5. Yeah, no do that.
Just think about it.
You
Me come
want
up
to
here.
in the door car and don't die now.
Hey! Just think about it. Me come
Yeah,
up.
go on.
Alright.
Say it again. What's your problem? What's your problem?
yes, me and you to talk. We can't sleep at night time.
I can't sleep at night time because I have too much for my brain. I have so many things I think about. I don't know what to do right now.
No one is. Yo.
We can't sleep without him. We need him back.
Seriously? You have to take a shower.
We are laughing for me.
I don't bring them something by yourself, you know. Don't go outside.
So that me a try run out of problem.
Oh, run out of problem.
Talk to your son for me, please. We need him back. Because we can't sleep. Yeah, I'm hard.
All me a try run out of problem, you must still follow me up. You know me no let down shop now. You want the shirt off the comb up? Yeah, come. Take care. Wait.
I'm sorry.
Stay
I
with us, stay with us.
really need your back.
Stay. Let me get the shirt. Go up. Yeah. Go. Pretend to see me. Yeah, go on now. Come, you want to
No,
Go on. Come here, give your room and you want sickness. Go on, man. So much problem, man.
Hey.
can't turn up and do.
Are you me away pan?
Where are we pan for, girl?
What do you mean by what me away pan for? Look here, the man no want you. You know see me the man want.
Oh, so he want you.
He want me. He tell me something to come back. And we think about it.
Look here, and me and him did the first, right?
And
so me don't know where you come from in the picture. Me still a hold my foot strong. Me not left from him. So if I war, we are gonna war over him. We are gonna war over him. But
first
my
thing
man,
first, me not war over no man. First thing.
okay, so join the line then, because me not give up. Because girl, me can't sleep at night time. Me just can't sleep.
So wait, let me ask you a question. Are you alone go through it? Are you alone go through it? Me not go through it too.
You can't sleep at night time. Every open me, I feel face me, I see, right?
Girl,
so
I be a
me
foolish.
need him back.
I be a foolish.
You need him
Me
back.
not here. Me not in a hit with it today. Yeah. I'm more if you don't leave my man alone because he don't want you.
Your
Me
man-
him want.
You're gonna leave my man alone, right? Because for me man and me soon get him back. He just tell me saying he gonna want me back. So I don't know what you talk about.
Girl, that's stupid. Bye.
Come go on by your business. I left from my man here.
Me I can't shoot. I can't just hear this story, but you tell us video, but yeah. You man, you tell us say why you?
What first, so?
That's right. I want to reach right so.
No worry about that, man. We have my time and place. But anyway, what brings you here?
To tell you the truth, last week, I go over my ex-boyfriend yard, which me try get him back. He have a girl over there, right? So I go over there with a gun, I try shoot the girl, but the gun stick. He not fire no rifle, he not fire no gunshot, no at all. Now come out of the gun. And she a laugh like she know, like she geared up or something like that. So I just take myself and say, I will come over here and see what I can do, which last week that happened. But if you come over here from last week, but I never get a chance to come over here, so I come over here today. And to make things worse again, this brown girl, what claim to say my art, she my ex-girlfriend. You understand what I talk about? I go with my ex-boyfriend here just a while ago, right? Where did I come from? She pop up too, but he want him back. Me go over there to try to get back the boy in my life. She want back the boy in her life. Me and her book up out a game. We pan out a game to chat to her and tell her, say, yo, the man no want you, me want. The girl that cussed me one bag of something, blah blah and rave and one bag. I don't know what else. So I'm just never come over here. I can't give me advice or something or do something.
Alright, I feel up here. You know, I can help you. But this, I don't know how you go manage it. But you have to find me a virgin we can sacrifice.
Girl or
because
boy?
the person, it don't matter if a girl or boy, as long as I'm a virgin.
Alright.
But the thing is, I prefer you bring a girl.
Alright.
Don't bring no man here.
Okay.
Because, because you see when I do the sacrifice, we cut off the clothes and we cut out them body organs and everything. So we have to sell some of the organs then, because sometimes we don't have to pay the right amount of money when we want. So we have to sell the kidney or sell the heart. Anyway, you see now, I get 2 days to find a virgin. Bring him come.
Yeah.
Sacrifice her.
Yeah.
The person with 45 fear bullet can't.
Overcome me.
Right.
Alright.
So, take a lead, spin a roll, although it's not here to stay, but meet me by the river.
Which one a river there, Manoff River?
Alright. There's a secret location. You know where Sukusu there?
Sukuso part on it a bamboo there, so.
Right.
Yeah. The river there?
Yeah. Yes, I'm do most of my sacrifice.
So me have to go in the water?
Not really.
The water cold, you know?
Just bring her come. You don't have to go in the water. Just bring her come, do the sacrifice, then you get the man. The man will feel.
Alright.
I know how many times you know your friend can come at one time.
So a free or you want money? Like when me and your friend, you know, so me always come check and give you money. Hey, just do this free for me for this time.
Listen me. The government, everybody in the parliament get raise up here. Right? What your man want for them too? So you go on and make sure you have your money when you come with her. Because if you don't have your money when you come with her, it's sacrifice not gonna work. So go on. Because you have vote for no party them and them get raised up here. And you want to come, take it, go on. Spin the roll and go on. No bright.
Girl, my man no say there.
What do you mean by your man was here there? Where are they, girl?
What you want to do here? Matter of fact, what you do here? Get there and cook. Who you cook for? You ask for them to pay.
What do you mean, who me a cook for? Yes, you cook for your man. So when he come, he can get something yam. What you talk about, girl?
No, come
If I'm trying to say no, come down where they in my man house and do.
Leave it over my man first, not yours. You think him did want you, but he never want you. Me him did want. Just try and know that.
Look,
I mean, I'll come out until he come.
Maybe they not come out until he come. Me not leave out of my man house.
Take me out.
You know, argument with the other girl. That's me a
No,
call.
no, argument with the either.
Come out of my house, girl. You say boy don't want you.
Me never know see a bill house put us
He
up.
do not want you, right?
Who want you?
Of course, if he did never want me, what me a do so?
We can't know, we can't bet you say no say you're there. Yeah, put on belly skin and try to improve somebody. Baby love, don't wait.
My
Don't
girl,
wait
leave
you.
out of my man house.
What's your show we are gonna leave today? Cause I know me, I hear me.
Alright, bitch, him come. Why you feel like out of your house? You know when you come up here and say boy don't interested in you.
Baby girl, start repeat yourself, it don't sound good.
You run the boy and make time boy don't want you.
Wow, that's nice.
Why you come out, man? Why you come out?
Yeah, so where that's now, if you that finish tell me about yourself, so talk to me.
Yeah, so we just start our church with you, even though I never live in our church, because I don't live there, but this one
So like the church accept you with that?
No, you know, church people stay every time I go to church, and they look at me like, say, me worse or something.
Because a while ago you tell me like, me really, I look for you, me I say. Like, so you're a Christian or you just go to church?
Me a Christian, just that, me not, you know, me don't go over place, you know what I mean?
So like, since you're baptized?
About 2 months or so.
to be a nice person so far and you know, more to take this thing far.
Okay.
But me sorry. Nobody know over there for me make you meet because my mother they overseas. You see me, my father he gone for a couple of days ago now. I don't know which part he gone. All the time saying so come but he ain't good still so I'm here alone over there. So.
So you're not afraid I'm not home?
Well, no sir, cause I grew up rough you know. You see me? So no, I'm not afraid of them. So,
Alright, well, I can come keep a company then.
no problem, I no problem with that.
Okay. But I'm Christian, so you know, so I just continue. That's it.
Well, me go and work with it for now. Me not push things. So me work with it.
Okay. I guess I'm Christian.
Hi.
Oh no,
You know you want some else. Hi.
Hello, some woman that I want.
What you mean that woman say, oh, you want some or?
Oh no, have access to in here. We had me put the
Me come here, cause Sierra cook, but she cook food for you.
cook food for who? Me put the
And I talk about me to come out and she man
my
out.
father tell us to cook because I don't me. Me never tell us to do nothing.
Yes, but then you cook some food, so you can come home, go get another decent room.
I mean this, don't style woman as this.
Okay, don't do that.
Come, let's have the stove and come out. Because me never put the pan to work. So me don't know where you come in here and cook. Yeah, chef?
But then,
And you know
Are
what?
you a chef?
She doesn't care cook for Sierra her life, but she stayed your life.
Are you a
Tell me
chef?
now. Yeah, chef?
yeah, but then
Leave.
my favorite.
Leave.
Leave. And what your favorite? Dumpling?
Leave.
Dumpling?
Leave.
Cry, babe. Oh my. See now, I found the stove. I don't know what to put it. I don't know what to put it.
Why your problem? Why your
No,
problem?
you come over here too.
Come over here to who?
No, you.
We know something?
You mean if we're doing something? I want the back in something.
You have to put the pan work?
What kind of work?
Because me
We did that video?
no, me can make a clean up the place. So
Your face still they take me for.
since I don't want to be around this car, me
So what she for? No, what she for?
Don't style her as she, that's my woman over
I,
there.
I was her one first.
That was first, but then we break up and I find someone else. That beautiful girl over there is mine.
Oh my.
Since I don't want to be around me, then we can't put up our work in here to clean up. Cause
You know what I'm not this with them. I can't take myself and come out of here. Book my fuck. Are you?
So I don't want to do nothing here. But fix up yourself.
Go fix yours first.
Come on, I'll go
Yeah,
inside.
you woman.
I don't know where I want to put food in there for that. I tell you. Fed up of people, fed up of the boy, them a go on like them real too. Fed up of the girl, them a dey round me too. Mankind make me nah no love in my heart. Me laugh, but me not trust none at all.
Good day, young man.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you, man? Good morning.
I just passed in and I heard these songs, these lyrics that you're putting out. Like, it's not nice. I mean, I can see the Lord has sent me here for a reason. I hear him calling you and he sent me to you. And I think you do nicely in our church as well. Your voice, everything. So I'm here asking you, how do you feel about the Lord?
Well, to be honest, the Lord is always great in it because I am wake you up and I am put us to bed.
Amen to that.
So,
Amen.
Lord is always great to me.
How about saving your life? Because I see there's trouble on your door, my child.
Not like that, man. Me nah no trouble on my door, man. I'm good, man. Not like that.
Are you sure, man?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Well, what I'm saying is I'm inviting you to my church. See, you are facing some difficult troubles. And the Lord has sent me here for you.
I said nothing like that, man, you know. I ain't no problem at all.
No. My child, I can see that you're stuck in some problem and you can't get out. The Lord has sent me here. He's calling you. You have a purpose.
Where
You're
are the
important.
You can't talk to you. You know, see me talk. Have manners, man.
I wish man say I chat too.
Praise be
Hello.
to the Lord.
I say have manners. Me and the lady attack.
So be you can avoid me.
Which be? Me ain't anything. Don't do that. Me ain't there.
I see you're stuck in some problem, my child, and you can't get out.
Stuck in some problem.
Yeah, me I listen, man. Me I listen.
Yeah, the Lord has sent me here. He's called me to you.
AJ, I'm
Babe, what happened? Oh my God, babe.
It's unnatural. God, no.
You know me miss you.
Holy God, power of power, Lord of lords, kings of kings. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil.
What you do?
For thou art with me,
Be
thy
focused,
rod
Pamela.
and thy staff. They comfort me.
Lady, stop that.
Thou
Be a focus,
prepare a
Pamela.
table before me in the presence of my
Be a-
enemies.
Oh, shit, the wait, let me
Thou
get-
anointed my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow you. And
Alright,
all the
alright.
days of your life
Alright.
you shall dwell.
Me tell him, me
You
tell him.
need to confess, my child, or forever hold you.
Go on, sir.
Fool.
The truth shall set you free, my child.
Oh, this. Damn. Miss,
She's... I told you you were stuck in some trouble, my love. My child, you cannot run from the Lord. He's calling you. My child, I'm sorry that you had to go like that. But there is...
Daddy. My ex just dead, Browning.
Dead?
I sit down this a while ago, down on the road. I'm going to ride to a song. I want a Christian lady pull up, one fat brown lady. And she tell me say I need God. And God a call me. And I need to go in a church. And I tell me say sister me stuck in a some problem or something. And I want to come out. One back of something she tell me that day. And I just seen start pray. And I say, my ex just dead, I don't know what. I have to run come up here.
I warn you, you know. I warn you about the up and down and the confusion thing and the railway and blah blah. I wish you do like a drop down like a warrior.
Daddy, I try to blame me. Me I try to explain and tell her say, and me alone did sit down there. And the lady just come and they tell me say me need Jesus. Then me say Brownie just pull up said time. And then the lady start pray and they tell me say she need to confess. And me just say she drop down.
When I look on it the other way, I could have you drop down. The woman could have mash up you too. You go on, man. Do what you have to do, you know. Just make me do what you have to do. Because I don't want to mix up in them something.
So you don't want to hear me after
Yeah, me hear what you say already, so what me if you do now?
Yeah, try to blame me, Daddy. Me not
Me don't blame me, I say what me if you do now? Run, go down, you take her up and she dead already. Go in the bathroom, go wash off, man.
Daddy, it does.
Go in the bathroom, go wash off, man. Go in the bathroom, go wash off and go lie down, man.
But me not understand, you know, you
Well, if you understand, me say go wash off. Them not, you can't leave the dead body.
No, boy, your lady I said to me, I tell Brownie, say Brownie need to confess, and she said she will confess, and then she drop
Say,
down.
look here now, you.
So me I wonder what happened.
Oh, if you wonder what, go on and go wash off, man. Where you don't know all of that, you? You know, come tell me, where expect me for you? No one, no.
Sis, yes? You never get no money from mommy if I go to school? No, I know, but hold on, I will call her. Hello? Mommy?
What?
You know my sister want lunch money for go to school.
So, you not have no money down there?
No.
I mean, I have done anyway, you not get no work yet?
No, me not get no work yet, but me apply for one.
Lord God. You what you go do? Go up on your father, go ask him there for me.
Alright.
Alright, call me back when you're done.
Yeah. Mummy say she not get no money. She not have no money for send come. So we for go up her daddy for money for go school.
I'm tired of you alone have to go up about me and you. I just mash up some heap of plate.
Alright, me want me go. Try to let you do it.
You couldn't wear your hand.
No girl, from morning me na this. I'm gonna change.
Yes, my child.
You know, say you with it, I come to do. Me and my sister not have no money. And we want some money.
Alright, listen. We don't really have the cash now. We have some client to come in. You know, we make some bush tea give them for drink and for better them with them cold and them flu. But I don't got the money now. So you have to go come and check me back. It's either later or tomorrow.
I can't come back so far. A long walk in this.
And you don't have to come back. Just tell your sister. But right now, I don't have no money. Me literally broke and I have some money stashed at one place and I have to go dig the dirt to get it. So yeah, go on, just go on. Your sister will come. Me call her when she come. Alright? Yeah. Go on, sir. You can't walk, sir. You're so black up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I know what I'm doing now.
Sis. Daddy say nah no money, you know.
So I'm going to go to school tomorrow. I'm feeling you get money from daddy. And you come wake me up like you have money. Come back go sleep.
Lucky, and you're good lucky if you want to go back to sleep. Go on.
So, how do you feel though, Faye? You know, say everything again.
I feel nice because when I see nobody, you see now nobody live with your father in a way, my mother, so I feel nice to keep you company. And you've been treating me good.
Well, I'm that type of person still, isn't me? Once you're around me and once me have something, you will get it.
I realize that, man, and that I really love about you. And that I love about you right now.
So, you think about the fact, say, more married, you think about it. You can marry.
Of course. Why not? Look how long you have to ask me that.
Well, like, as they tell me from when say, you know, go rush things, you see me, so anybody don't rush it.
I know I'm not rush, but I mean, we're going good so why not get married and done? You
know what I'm saying?
don't want to get married or something?
Yeah, a lot of things are going
Like
in my
what?
life, you know. Because other day, for tell you the truth,
No happened.
me don't want to talk about it.
You can't tell me.
Alright, you know, say other day though, me ex, like, she just dead, me I wonder.
How
Oh, like,
comes?
alright, so me did there, so me sit down, I made song, so me have try write a song, and this Christian lady just walk up and start to tell me, say, my life in danger, I'm coming to church. Me I tell her, I say, no, me good, my life not in danger. And my ex pull up said time, and me don't know what she had like, me say she a rub her hand. And then me see lady just start pray and me just see she drop down and dead. That my ex.
Just so?
Yeah, me don't know how that happened.
That doesn't sound serious.
So like it left me and me I think one will leave or something.
Well, that never happened to you. We healthy, you healthy, me healthy, that never happened.
Why? My father didn't even understand what me I go through. He just always cuss me and he make it look like me wrong. Every time I sleep I try to
Hello. So I look at myself. Oh, I'm not happy to see me.
Why your purpose here? Me not understand why you just walk in the house and you're not supposed to walk in and unless me say suppose me did in here or something.
In a hall?
Yeah.
Look here, I let me come over here for time.
Go back out and come back in. Do it the right way, because you're not coming in proper.
Hello, me come and me knock and out.
No, you
Don't tell me how to
never.
come in this house here.
No, but you never wait till me answer.
Whatever, me
You
not
just
talk.
go back out and don't come back in again.
Put me out there. I don't know if you don't put me out there. What me I say no?
Actually, you know you have one something I'm afraid that I can't go and say.
No yourself. Here, my talk about right? One thing with me the right here say no.
No, and I'm not like.
And that's my talk about what you think it's my
The
talk
right
about.
here say no.
That's my talk
Never
about.
get married.
Look here.
No, what you think about?
Hello. Nobody think about no marriage, baby love. Me tell you this now. See this a man here? A whore. Here? This a man here, he no good.
So make you come in here and do all of this now.
Look here, he have one bag of woman. Like,
You really believe her?
if I really believe her,
Yo,
really
come,
believe her.
let's no brother.
No, come tell me that no who you call brother. Me like your brother. Me like your brother.
You really believe her everything what she has right
Me
now?
not think she a tell me lie. You
Okay. Me tell you this now.
Woman.
He even bring me sister. That's the reason I would do this.
Oh God, no. See, same thing.
Oh, you wicked so you. You know what your family them?
Let me tell you this now. Just try not to me, I forget you. No matter what you do, no matter what you try, me I forget you back. Because by the time me go so tomorrow and come back,
What do you mean by the time I go to go?
no worry yourself about that with me I go. By the time I go out and come back tomorrow, try not to say you're mine. Get that in
Sorry,
your head.
sorry.
Look here.
Sorry,
So that's even up.
we're not there, you don't need to
Me
get
no
that.
business.
Sorry, okay?
No marriage can go on and
What kind of
you're
something
crazy.
that you have to look at make my woman over there start crying?
Cry, baby love, cry.
Sorry, I'm going to her. Sorry.
Cry, my baby, cry. Look here.
Excuse me, I'm going to go to my woman now. Come out of my
So me know your woman
No.
was
We are there, so.
and going to be your woman again.
There's a little crosses. Come out of my
Who you call crosses? Not before people never know some crosses. Look here.
Come now, sorry, no.
Until we don't get, you know, me forgot something. No, we have to write it out.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, me have to tell you, so look here. Hello!
Not talk to me, please.
You even make me
right now.
Me have something to tell you. Look here, wait.
So, what's your deal with me, son?
Stop it, nice, man. You make me friend dead, you know, brother.
You need to make your friend there.
You killed my friend. Him and my friend did dead, and he there with me, right? He killed my friend and he set him over to you. Just try and know that.
I said something, we just explained to you a while ago.
You know, say this man will work out, do I?
Now the work out. So me have to get back.
Come, excuse me, man. I said something.
So why you look here, I can't behave like that. Look here. Look here.
I said something.
Me I tell you,
Because I explained to you a while ago and tell you something.
But you see it with
Stop
one
touching me.
man, we can't do that.
He there with more than one woman, he will kill her, killing his ex.
So after you gonna kill me too?
That
She
him a
try to say some things just because she
But
want
me
me.
believe her.
believe
So you just don't make this end like this, right?
Yes, it can't work out. Cause next thing we get married 2 years, me dead
It now take 2 years to get dead.
See, you know.
You did said we gonna marry, I said dead now. When
So
come
you
home from the marriage,
have
you're
believe
dead.
too much, you say, right?
And she said they will not come. You do not come. You do not come.
And you alone me have.
Yeah. Whatever they do, I can tell me. When they do my friend, I can tell my friend. You said woman, you have front woman, you have every woman. From all angles.
Just go on, just go
Don't tell me
on.
say go on, don't do that.
Just come like one big craft in my life, go on.
I come like I want big piss when I did that in my life.
Why you run me down there?
Because I still work with them, you know, say I can change to the better.
Just go on, me don't want change. Just go on, me already taking. Just
Taking the one why you don't see. You don't see a
no
who
worry
want
about it,
you.
no worry about it, me and her fix things.
Even though you forgot me still want you.
Just go on, me
You
don't
mess up
want
and me still want you.
you. Me don't want you.
Alright, no worry yourself. I shall go. When me go tomorrow, I'll come back. Same thing when I tell you. Get that in your
Just go on, and I'll come back over here.
Me I go find me way come back over here.
Like me.
I ain't gonna tell you I could never lock. Cause if you lock, me have key, me a spare key. Back girl ever open, that don't have no lock. Or yourself.
Listen, listen. Don't listen nothing when she has said.
But babe, she said you don't love me, man. Me can't do this. Me can't
Come
do
on,
this.
out of this.
Where are you going? A nice girl I walk on this road by herself. I don't have my father, me I go collect my lunch money because my mother send me key. Oh, you not forget that they go collect no lunch money. Any money you want, me have it. And plus tax me have sweetie too. So what you say? You come with me? Oh, sweetie? You know some love sweetie? Alright, come on. Alright, let's go. What kind of sweetie you like? Look at this as well. So make your girl come for sacrifice. Daddy! Daddy!
Whitney, how my daughter really been coming?
I never know see your daughter. Daddy, I want to ride.
No, go on home now. Tell her sister to me soon get the money come. Go on home. Find your way home now. Find your way home. So, find your way home. Right. Tell me one daughter to sacrifice.
Why you do me this?
Go on home.
Come my family way home. I don't know you. Help me now, please. Are we there?
Alia. You know, see me get the girl?
You get the girl?
Yes, remember something we talk about the $1 million and something.
Girl, stop one joke with me, because right now I'm desperate.
Me say me get the girl.
Oh, alright. Here, what you gonna do for me? Carry home tonight. You remember something with the show you in the backer?
Yeah.
Use your knock on road. Knock on road for 24 hours. You hear?
Alright, me do that.
So, and then that morning, that even hours and time there, Me carry alone. So me and you have to help me now.
Alright, me do that. Cool.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Right. Why chose to go so far? You have time to kill a mosquito. Why is me?
Alright, this is the first you're going to sacrifice?
Yes, boy, I chose to come so far.
Alright. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Leave you in peace. When the sacrifice is done, the man is here.
Alright. Come on. Come on.
Good job, yeah? The man is here. Alright, back to my mission. Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Shut up!
Devil is a liar. The devil is a
Shut
liar.
up!
Ah, Jesus, you said no weapon formed against me shall prosper, dear Jesus. You said none, dear Father. Oh, Jesus, you said the light always wins the dark, dear Father.
Shut up, girl!
And Jesus, you said, dear Father, that when you come, Lord, all knees will bend, all tongue will confess, dear Father. And Jesus Christ, send him back to where I come from, dear Father. Send him back. Jesus Christ, I rebuke you in the name of the Lord. Fire! Holy Ghost, fire! Ah, Jesus. Ah, Shatalabobo sete ped, dear Father. Oh, Shatalabobo sete se. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I rebuke him to you, Father. I lift him up to you, Father. Oh, Shatalabobo sete. Jesus. Jesus.
Yes, yes.
Tia. How are you? Some mad girl, yeah. Aliyah. Take my time, go down here. Don't come over with this again.